like that.
In her defense, she always has that look that she's being killed or she's about to be killed or something. She just hates that pose in general.
No, yesterday she sat with me like this while I was talking to my sister and brother.
Fly.
Same thing.
Yes.
Hey guys.
Same thing.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
V101.
V101.
Today, we have a deep dive
Yes, we do.
into something
That no
should
one
be
cares
pretty
about.
obvious by now.
Yes.
See, what are we talking about today, Sid?
Today we're talking
Apparently
about
hygiene by the looks of it.
we're talking about the pandy life, our life during the pandemic that no one gives a shit about.
Yes.
But yes, that is
And I
what
shall ignore the
today.
comments you guys made when we first started recording about me being a hobo and
Yeah, that's okay.
Mhm.
because
Mhm.
I look very distinguished, like a distinguished gentleman.
Yes,
Yes.
as you've always been, you look the same.
Scruffy
way
yet
always
distinguished.
With the shirt and nice beard. And you
Yes.
guys are like, hey, look at me young and hip with my t-shirt and my beanie and my bald ass head.
look. Yes, you are right.
Mm.
Yes, continue. Anything else?
But yes, before we start this officially, I'm looking there because that's where my laptop display is, and I'm looking at these two beautiful faces over here, and I need to see them when I'm talking to them so that it resembles human physical. Why am I saying physical contact? Human contact and human,
I like what I hear.
human communication, I guess, instead of talking straight into the camera,
Yeah.
Yes.
which weirdly I'm comfortable with because we do a lot of videos. Oh, speaking of those videos,
Ooh,
check out our
smooth.
last
Nice,
channel
nice.
if you already haven't.
Nice
Yes,
transition.
you should.
Mm.
If you
Thank
already haven't,
we
I'm
like.
assuming you're coming from there. Big yeah,
Yes.
and thank you
thank
for
our new
everyone who
subscribers.
subscribed.
Yes.
And
thank
we
you.
hope you enjoyed our last episode, which was
The skit that we
no
put
the
up.
No, the
no, the
podcast.
last podcast episode.
Oh,
Castlevania.
Castlevania, which I totally remembered.
Yes.
And if you really enjoyed Castlevania, you're probably looking at this and wondering why the hell are these
Yeah,
guys
why
doing
am I
a
here?
deep
What's
dive
wrong
into
with
their
them?
pandemic lives.
Hmm.
But it's going to be fun. We're going to tell you some fun stories,
Hmm.
We'll tell
and
you.
you can enjoy yourself at the misery of our lives.
Yes, you can.
Just three dudes sitting
and we'll
in
be back to
India.
normal next week with more anime podcast
Yes.
content.
Mhm.
And if you didn't come to the Last Take channel, you should check out our Last Take channel. We're up to 80 subscribers now, which
80?
is
Thank you.
a lot.
Thank you.
Considering the fact that we thought we'd be stuck at no subscribers forever.
Yeah, forever.
See,
Yeah,
some
that
of
would.
you actually enjoy what we put
Yeah,
out.
it's
and,
surprising.
Yep.
appreciative of
Yeah,
that.
thank you.
Thank you. We'll continue putting out more
We will.
episodes, and we hope you check out our Last Take channel and our Instagram because we have updates there. We have little videos over there as well. And if you don't want to watch this entire podcast, understandable, there are highlights in our highlights channel, which are 10 to 15 minute bites of the podcast, which you might enjoy. We take only the best minutes. Sid is
Yes.
very picky.
Yes, I
He
am.
only takes the best minutes. He
Hmm.
puts them in. Even though I think like some bits are funny, he doesn't care about what my.
He doesn't have a sense
Nah.
of humor. It's okay. Yeah.
More like neither of us have a word in the or the say in the matter. If Sid says it,
That's
that's it
true.
right there.
That's
Exactly.
true.
Everyone knows my sense of humor is the best.
Mhm.
Yes. Yes.
Hey, come on.
And
Right before this podcast started, Audi got his vaccine, and I said vaccine causes autism.
I think we'll have to edit that out.
Tasteless.
Hey,
Yes. Do
It's
you,
an
do you
anti-vaxxer
really
joke.
want to
It is
take?
an anti-vaxxer joke. Yes.
Yes.
it's. I'm not actually claiming it causes anything. I'm just
Yeah,
saying
of course.
Audi
Yeah,
became
we
more
understand. Yeah. He became more like
Audi.
himself.
I'm just
Of
Yeah.
I'm
course.
just explaining it because with your implication, somebody's going to be like, he said autism. No, autism. Like
Yeah.
Audi.
Even though you're referring to that, it's just a joke. He's joking.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to
Yes.
cancel, you can cancel him. It's okay. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's completely fine.
Yeah. It's not like his life will get
Only
worse.
ends
Our
up
lives are
carrying
pretty
our
shit
last take, but
anyways.
you know.
Yeah. But yeah, I think me and Audi have gotten vaccinated, and Bruce gonna get vaccinated next month. bit
Hmm.
if he.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. So.
Are there no?
Then we can all meet and kiss.
Yes,
suppose.
All kiss. We all got our first shot.
Yes.
Mhm.
And we can give each other shots.
Hmm.
I like where this is going. New topic.
Are there no drives happening in Kargar at all? Because
They probably are, but then I wouldn't necessarily trust them.
Yeah,
I
you know where
see.
he lives, dude. Like
That
you
is
can't
true.
you can't trust an oasis in the middle of a desert. It's probably a mirage, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
So makes sense.
No, also
Too good
like
to be
even,
true.
even if it isn't a mirage, that there are going to be like a million people over there, and if I didn't get it all this while, it would be stupid to go to the place where I was supposed to avoid it and then get it from there.
Yeah, that's
So-
true.
yeah, you have a extremely high risk person in your house as well.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But yes, for those of you who need to be told this, the pandemic is real. This is a problem we are facing.
It's still going on. Hmm.
It's still going on. The vaccine is important.
Hmm.
You need to stay home, stay safe, wear a mask.
Wear two masks
Don't
if you have
believe
to.
Elon Musk because he's lying out of his ass to save his own money. Don't believe any of these other billionaires either, except the ones who tell you to wear a mask. Bill Gates doesn't want to microchip you. He already has all his software in your phone. You're anyway being tracked by a million different people. Don't worry about the vaccine. Look at these two. Look at their faces. You think somebody wants to microchip them?
I wish I was a cyborg. Please.
I do
microchip
wish.
Me.
Yes.
It would be cool to be
See?
one, huh?
I would like to see the Windows loading screen in my eyes. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
These two are the equivalent of that Star Wars meme where Darth Vader is force choking someone and he's like harder, daddy, and Darth Vader's like what? And that's what these two are.
I lost. I paid no attention to what you were saying, so I'm sorry. I guess it was funny.
But yes, basically, unfortunately, it had to be said. Please treat it seriously.
Yeah, if you need to say
content to
such
watch.
things like, okay, I don't like if people are so ignorant, like, you know, please
I
use,
mean-
shampoo externally only, like, you know, like those kinds of things. Because
Yeah,
if you do
see,
that-
you'd be
for
surprised at the
external
amount
use
of people
only.
who would consume shampoo internally.
Yeah.
Sid, did you know that at one point the President of the United States said that you should drink bleach and
Yeah.
a lot of people drank it?
Wow, so it does need to, yes, please.
Yes,
please
yes.
Don't
Of
drink
course it needs to
bleach.
be told.
Yes,
The president
please
of
don't
one of the
drink
strongest countries in the world gave this advice. So, kind of need to
On,
put this
national
disclaimer.
Television.
Hmm.
So if you are anti-vax, I don't know.
Please
Don't
change
take
your
anything
school of
seriously. We're all
thought.
cracking jokes. We believe in the science that is being. No, I don't even care about your strain of thought. Like, okay, do whatever the fuck you want. But
Yeah,
like,
do what you want.
Don't go tell other people that we are promoting anti-vax shit. You know, we are cracking jokes, and we are
And
serious
literally
about
two
this
of
whole
us are
pandemic.
vaccinated.
Yes.
Yeah, with a third on the way.
Third on
So-
the way,
Hmm.
yeah. But yeah, this, as you all know, we are here in India, so like the situation here is like crazy. It's pretty
Screwed.
fucked up right now.
It's
Yeah.
worse than most of the world
a
right
lot
now.
of people wanted
This is
to
the
take a
worst.
bath in a holy river.
Fucking.
The thing is, the minute the first lockdown, like, you know, was relaxed, people were like, I am out, it's fun, the corona is gone,
Yeah.
let's go. Like
The
everything was
first-
back to normal. Like I could see people on the streets, like 20 people walking past me without masks, you know.
Hmm. The first lockdown lasted for around 4 months, I believe.
Hmm.
4 to 5 months, with like a couple
Yeah.
of extensions as well. And then
Yeah.
when it actually got shut down, you could see just people walking around, lazing around, going to cafes like it never fucking
It was
happened.
normal, and I was like, what the fuck? I don't
And
understand.
it was actual culture shock at that point. I was wondering, is the virus actually fake? What is this? Why is everyone walking
Was-
around like it's not?
Yeah, it was inevitable, you know, the second one. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, even though we did take all measures, we were shooting together.
Hmm.
for a while.
We were shooting together,
Never
but
shot
we were
the
still.
podcast together.
No,
We never
but
did.
we were still quarantining, and then we still used to,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
you used to come in your car, you know, so you never really exposed
Yeah.
yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, I think even in
So
the
we took-
past
we took
1.5
precautions.
years, there was never any relaxation as far as quarantining was concerned. There was never.
Mm-hmm.
It's never gone back to normal. That's one
It's been
thing.
1.5 years? Hasn't it been a year?
1.5
No,
years.
it's been 1.5 years almost, right?
Dude, we are half into this
May.
year. It's been
Yeah.
1 year since the pandemic
Dude,
has started, you
it's
know.
depressing to think
Did it
about.
start in like March?
It started in
April?
February. They actually
Well,
started in January
technically it
end.
started in no, technically
January
it started in
end.
December 2019. That's why it's
Yeah.
called COVID-19. But yeah,
It's supposed
yeah,
to
but it
have.
wasn't a problem for us.
For
with the
us it was
lockdown and
from
stuff
March.
until
The
Yeah,
first
yeah.
case was detected on December 31st, 2019. Unfortunately,
Yeah, but
the
here,
last day of the fucking
here
year.
it was in March. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it became crazy from March, and it's still going on.
I think it was wild
think
to
it's
see the
March.
news kind of spread like wildfire because you saw like China and then Russia and then France and other these tiny European countries which had connected China flights get a couple of cases and you're like wondering, what if this thing started hitting the fucking fan like
dude,
it's nothing.
It was nothing. I was in,
It was-
I was
yeah,
in
we were like-
Portugal and I was like, I was talking. I was like, yeah, there's this virus like that's going on around. I just thought it's like another regional virus. I'm like, yeah, it seems to be quite threatening. A lot of people are dying. Wow. Then next thing, I'm like, fuck.
Yeah, in like 1 month's time the world fucking shut down.
Yeah, whoever's playing that game of Plague is pretty good at
Yep.
it.
are they, because we do have a cure now, technically, a vaccine.
Yeah, but they managed to make it last for 1.5 years and they got like what 1 million people out of it.
Yeah, but if you're looking at it as a game of Plague and somebody's been playing this whole time, 1.5 years, I'm assuming is a very short amount of time to them. Where they're like some
I'd
godly
say
creature
the-
where only a few minutes have passed and there's like 10 minutes left in the game, and that's when we realize if the humans win or COVID wins.
I suppose. I mean, it has
Yeah,
taken a greater
clearly.
toll than other pandemics before, right?
Yeah.
Maybe not as bad
Yeah,
as
But
the
that's
Spanish
also, I think
influenza.
that's also because of the sheer number of humans that exist today compared to like any point in history ever. Because even if it's something that a lot of the deniers say that COVID has like a 99% success rate, like
Success
survival.
rate.
Survival rate,
Yeah.
But then,
Yeah. But even that 1% is like even if that's true,
Yeah,
I mean,
dude.
it's
Yeah,
no,
it's-
even
but
if
even
it,
that 1% is
1%,
huge.
the amount of people in that 1% is freaking
Yeah.
crazy. Like to think of them as a percentage, I think really tells what kind of a person you are. If you just be
Yeah.
like 1%. But
and you're talking about like 7 billion people.
yeah, it's
And
crazy.
1% out of that, you probably
It's
aren't
a
going to meet those many
lot.
people in your
Probably
life.
yeah,
seven.
You definitely won't. Yeah. Oh my god.
700,000, 7 million, who
Yeah,
knows?
it's a lot. And the thing is, even nowadays, like people like communication because of travel and people going here and there. That's a lot more than
Yeah.
it was in the past, also,
Mm.
right? Yeah. That's why it's been
But
crazy.
that's what makes it weirder, because like you would imagine with the
Mm.
number of technological advances we've had and the amount of connections that are there in the world physically and virtually, you would imagine that these people are like more educated and more compassionate to other people. You know what?
Yeah.
I played the games with this dude in India and his parents died. You'd be like, okay, maybe this COVID thing is kind of a problem. Not for me.
Yeah.
For me, it's fake. But for that dude in India, that sucks.
Mm.
Because these guys are like, you're gonna die anyway. So what if your parents die today? Like, yo, okay, I get that. I don't. If you say that to me, I'm not gonna care. But like, if you say that to someone who's actually losing their parents, you're just an asshole.
Yeah, big asshole. Yeah, you need to be considerate about such things. It's actually
Yeah,
a thing.
like I have this bad habit when I'm browsing Reddit, especially, if I see a subreddit where somebody says something like really stupid, like there's a subreddit called No New Normal, and it's full of COVID deniers.
I see.
Oh my god.
So they're like, we don't want a new normal. We want our normal. You guys are pussies for wearing they call it face something. Basically, they're mocking you for wearing
Yeah, a mask. Yeah.
Hmm.
They're mocking you for wanting to get vaccinated because they don't want to get vaccinated because it's untested chemicals, and it's probably the same people who are smoking crack or something.
Yes, totally, yes.
And so when I see one post like that, I just check out the subreddit and just go through the cesspool that it is, just to get an understanding of
yeah.
how exactly they form such opinions.
Yeah, I know.
And it's
right?
very weird. So the biggest problem seems, at least that I've seen so far, is that even though there's so many lines about us being a global village and all that stuff, like how we are all just one big country and all that bullshit where no borders, the internet has gotten us all together as humans. Every country, all the deniers always say that it's fake in their country. They're like, our politicians are using this as a hoax to push their agenda. And my only question is, do you really think that these world leaders who haven't come together to make one single decision on something as threatening as climate change are going to come together just to create a hoax, all agree on the same story, agree to make their country look worse to some other countries just to control you? Like,
Yes, they are apparently that this thing, they're that ignorant. They're like, oh my god, everyone is
Maybe-
after me. I am important. Look at me. Look at what's happening.
What
to me."
level of
I know.
self-importance is that?
Yeah.
Hey, you have to give them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe they met Johan. Who knows? Maybe Johan is behind all of this.
See, if they met Johan, they'd be like, I need to take this seriously so that
Yeah,
I don't
exactly.
Yeah,
that would
that
be
is
the
true.
opposite, actually. Yeah, you need to use the Johan joke correctly, Audi. Not just throw it around.
Exactly.
But no.
What do you think, Audi? You think we just overuse jokes?
Yeah,
in-
you don't
Yes.
overuse it. It's for specific moments. And it's not.
Exactly.
But yeah.
We have a document for this. It's called the Johan Principle.
The Johan principle.
But
Yeah, I mean, like it's a lot of mental gymnastics that they have to do, because they're like, you see, Joe Biden created this pandemic with what's the doctor's name?
Anthony Fauci.
yeah,
Fauci, yeah.
Dr. Anthony Fauci,
Fauci went to the lab in Wuhan and created this genetically engineered
Wuhan.
genetically engineered disease to spread across the world,
yes.
so that they can push their hidden agenda. And you're like, okay, what is their hidden agenda? Like, they want to control you. I'm like, okay, how are they controlling you? Like, they want to keep us in our homes. I'm like, is that really controlling you in any way?
No,
They're like,
or-
hey, how about you sit comfortably and live your life in your home? And they're like,
How dare you tell me to live in my
I
home?
am trapped.
Or more countries like, they give us this disease so that they fake the vaccine and get microchips.
Yeah.
It
And
sounds
that's like
ridiculous
the
when you
weirdest-
say it,
Yeah, that's like the most ridiculous thing, because I don't think these guys understand just how much data Facebook, Google, even Apple, for all their
Yeah.
privacy
Yeah.
rules. I don't think they understand how much data they have on
What?
each person.
Wasn't
First
the
of
whole
all,
Facebook
they don't
scandal
even
like
have-
big news?
What?
Wasn't the Facebook scandal like big news, especially in America? And wasn't it like
It's
going on for a
always
good
been
year or
big.
so?
Yeah,
Which
everyone knows that.
which scandal?
There's no
The whole-
scandal. Yeah.
The whole information leak and selling information for this shit.
Yeah, but that's like every
It's
Facebook.
not a scandal.
Yeah.
It's like a thing that they
Um,
openly do.
yeah.
They don't sell
Everyone
information,
does
they
it.
keep it.
Yeah.
Man, so it's
keep
it's
the-
okay. It's out in the open. How is it that these guys don't know this and they just look past or turn a blind eye to it? They just
Because they don't give a shit. It's just like I'm using a website and I
no
use
one
it. That's it.
cares. Yeah.
I don't want to get microchip,
Okay,
but
wait,
here
I
are
will tell
families
you-
of my here are photos of my
I
family
will
on
tell you
Facebook.
something, okay? This is something that has been happening all over the world,
Hmm.
and it can show how less people actually think about their actions online. And if any of you have actually seen this online and participated in it, I really encourage you to go remove your posts right away. There are, these challenges that go around, right?
Like that.
Online, like there was the 10-year challenge or something where you put a photo of you from 10 years ago and put a photo of you
Oh,
now.
that shit.
Firstly,
Yeah.
amazing for machine learning and facial recognition.
Oh, beautiful.
So Facebook can basically just look at all of that and be like, thank you morons for your
Yeah, I
own
know,
valuable
right?
data.
Yeah.
And they can learn to pick your face out from a sea of other people very easily,
Very
and
easily.
maybe even predict how you will look when you grow up.
Hmm.
But there's a new challenge going around where people are like, what is your mother's maiden name and your first pet's name? And people are answering it. And you know why that's a problem?
Oh my fucking god. Does it even need to be explained?
It apparently does, because a lot of people have fallen for it.
Oh, are you how many? Okay, never mind. I'm not even gonna ask.
Thank god we are not on fucking
Ah.
social media. Holy
So
fuck.
basically they ask these questions and get them viral in the form of a challenge.
Yeah.
And what you are doing, for those of you who still haven't understood it, I don't blame you, because you're probably not as into this sort of thing as we are. But you're basically answering your security questions for any of your emails.
Yes.
That's exactly what each company asks you. Like, what is your first pet's name, or what is your honeymoon location, or something like that.
Some sort of
When-
very
when you-
private info.
Yeah, and when you have information like this that you're giving out into the open, Now it doesn't matter if I'm a stranger. If I just look up this search term like, what is your pet's name, and I end up with you tweeting it out, I can literally just guess your username at that point and then just fill
Easily.
in my own.
I don't even
Whatever
think
I
you
want
need to
to- I
guess
can answer the
usernames, right? I
security
think
question.
Find
and
where
you
people
change your
live
password.
now. Easily you can find where people live, like without
Yeah.
an issue.
Yeah, exactly.
Not even people. No, that does happen. That's quite
people
common.
unwillingly give out just give out as much information as they possibly can, and then be worried about fucking getting microchipped by Bill
No,
Gates
but they
of all
don't
people.
care. You know, like if you like, I've talked to a lot of this thing because we are not on social media. By that I mean like, of course, like Veep 101 is on social media because
But
of like the content
As
we
individuals,
produce. But
yeah.
personally, individually, we are not on social media.
Hmm.
Like we don't post about like our personal lives and we haven't been for like ages. You know, none of us have been on
Hmm.
social media. So
Since
even-
the initial boom.
yeah. So
Maybe
like-
that'll change. Who knows? When Veep 101
that
doesn't-
won't change for me. That won't
I
change for
see.
me. I still like to keep this personal this thing and like
Mm.
Veep 101 can be public, but my life like to an extent I'm not gonna keep like, oh look, I'm eating
Mm.
this or taking like that shit is bullshit. But I've
Don't
had
worry, audience.
When we
confirmed-
go to
Sit with
Japan, we'll
Sid
see
and
how
we'll
that
take
happens.
photos.
Yeah.
No,
That
we'll take
doesn't
photos of
happen.
Sid's meals and be like, hey guys, I'm eating this, but Sid is
Oh,
eating this.
you know something creepy that actually happened? So on Google Photos, right? If I
Mm.
type
Yeah.
brew, all your photos come up.
What the fuck? Oh my
Yeah.
god, I have to
They
check
know
this
exactly
shit.
who
I
you
am
are on my
famous.
Google Photos. That's how fucking creepy it is. But yeah, I have talked to a lot of people who've confronted me about this because a lot of people are on social media and when you meet them, they're like, "Yo, give me your Instagram and give me your this," and I'm like, "Not there, no, I don't." They're like, and even after they know of the fact that people have their data and all, but they just don't care because it doesn't matter. They're like, "Yeah, I don't care. Let them have it. Like it doesn't
Yeah,
matter."
it's pretty much become the norm at this point
Yeah,
to
it
just
doesn't
give your
matter.
information.
Yeah. It's like,
Yeah,
so
my
what?
sister's the
Let me
same.
do what I want to do. It doesn't matter. If
When I
they have
search
it or not.
Sid on my Google Photos, I don't have a single result for you.
Ha ha ha.
No, I know I have your photo. Audi also no results.
Aha.
Yeah, when I type Audi, I get no results. But when I type brew, it's like all everywhere. That's why we put brew in all our thumbnails. It's a secret
Mhm.
I
plan
guess
to get him out there.
I'm not sure why.
But it's nice, isn't it? But apart from conspiracy, let's start talking about our lives during the pandemic, how it all started. So, from March onwards, when the lockdown started, I know a lot of
Oh.
shit happened to us. I know for a fact that I, who had stopped like gaming for like a full year, started
Got
again
back.
because of the
Yeah.
depression. Remember, we started full
Yes.
like playing Dota again, like full like without giving a shit about
3
anything. 'Cause
months.
we were like,
Mm.
there's nothing to do. We're just sitting here. Let's just start let's just start playing because nothing matters anymore.
Mm.
And
Hey, also there was a Dota update at that time, I believe.
Yeah, the battle-
The Battle Pass.
Yeah.
International came out.
oh, I
yeah.
spent a shit ton of money, man. I should have spent all that money.
Don't worry, you'll
I think
spend
I spent
more
like
next time.
8K or some shit, which is
No,
rupees
you
for
didn't spend that much.
the.
You spent 5k.
Did I? Okay.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
No,
but yeah,
no,
five-
yeah, 5k. Huh? Mm. You
Initially
got up to the
5K, right?
Windranger Arcana.
Okay, total 5K.
Hmm.
So I spent 5K rupees for, which is still a lot for me. Maybe not a lot for a lot of people.
It's not a lot.
But yeah, seems like a waste now. I would like to get that back. But yeah, for
Hmm.
I think we did for a long time. And while we were doing it, like in between doing it, I was like, we should really do something. And I was like, hey, bro, let's just fucking start a podcast. Let's just talk about anime. He was like, what will we do? What will we talk about? I'm like, no plans. let's just start it. Like, let's just do it. Let's just shoot an episode and let's see what happens. And that time we were waiting for. I think we finished the third season of Haikyuu and we were waiting for the fourth, if I remember correctly. That's why we were like, let's just talk about
Yeah.
Haikyuu. Let's just do it. And Audi was also playing with us automatically. We were like, Audi, even you join in, right? And even we didn't even think of the name, right? What should we name it? And then we were like, Veep 101. Yeah, let's fucking do it. Doesn't make any sense. Like,
Okay.
We didn't put thought into it.
I believe I need to mention something here,
yes.
Mm.
which is that for every project that Sid and I have worked on,
Yes.
we have put in an insane amount of thought.
Oh yeah, definitely say
For
yeah.
the name, we put an insane amount
Insane
of thought for the
for
branding,
everything, for everything.
for the
yeah.
for everything, every aspect
Every
of something we
aspect.
start was
Yes.
well thought of,
Yes.
had a reason to exist,
Hmm.
and we could explain any, even the smallest
Even this, yeah.
prick on the
Crazy
screen we could
research.
explain with
Mhm.
with a proper reason. And then when it came to this, we were like,
Fuck
what
it.
do you want to call our podcast? We're like, fuck it, we won.
We won
Because
one
we-
fuck it.
because we're weebs and it's like one on one. We're gonna talk to people and we're like, okay, fuck it.
No, the original
let's-
idea was supposed to be introducing me to new anime, right? Wasn't that the basis
We
of
came
it?
up with that
And then
later
you
though.
left,
Yeah.
and then we had to change it.
Ah,
We
well,
came up with that later because when we decided to shoot it, you weren't in the picture yet, and we were like, "Oh, let's get Audi and let's make it a thing where we introduce him to anime."
Yeah.
I see. Ah.
And then actually we shot it like in a really shitty way, right? Without cameras, just on like
Yeah, we just
using
had-
our
Cameras
microphones.
without even like proper mics.
Yeah, just our laptop microphone and like we didn't. And I made the channel like after we were done with the first shoot.
What
right?
did we record on? We didn't even record
had
on
my- I had my
Zencaster,
mic.
did we?
I had my no.
We
did
recorded on Zencaster.
Zencaster,
Oh, did we?
but I
Oh,
used
okay.
my laptop mic like this one.
Yeah,
Hmm.
Yeah.
I think I had my mic.
You
that
had the Boya, right? Yeah.
No, I had the recorder anyway. So I
Oh,
connected
yeah, you
the
had the
recorder,
Zoom.
and then after that I did the
Boya.
I did the Boya with the
Mhm.
recorder.
Yeah, and that was.
I think we all ran through a good
know,
amount of equipment until
yeah.
we settled with our fabulous fine mics right now.
Hey, sponsor
Hey,
us.
we only save brands
Yeah,
unless
exactly.
they sponsor. Yeah.
Oh, fine.
exactly. That will be that will be
Fine.
bleeped out.
It'll be like peep pine.
Beep.
Peep fine, yes.
But yeah, and surprisingly, out of
6.
all the projects that we have
Hmm.
worked much harder on, bro, this one is somehow still
Yes,
going
this
on.
one
I
is
have no
somehow
clue
still
how.
going on. And is the most popular one.
Not just the
Everybody will
podcast.
know.
We have another.
Okay.
We have our other project, the Last Take project, that is actually still running for how many weeks now? It's going to be our 15th week.
We're on the 15th week.
Holy shit.
15th week. That's 3 months so far.
In contrast, Nandemo, which was a magazine we started, which Sid wanted to experiment with magazine layout. Audi and I used to write articles for it.
Yes.
And Sid just said, I'm bored, and he stopped doing it.
That's not true.
So
That's not true. You should stop
Let's.
doing
Oh
it. You
my
all
god,
never
let's
wrote
not get into the
articles.
second of
Let's talk about the third issue. You want to talk about the third issue? You know what happened in the third issue?
my
That
There
caused
was-
me to leave.
there were 2 articles that weren't written.
No, there were not 2. There were many. And throughout the month, I was forcing you all to write, and it was frustrating. I was like, write, and you all forcibly wrote something, and then the last few articles you all weren't writing, and we had to release it that night. I was like, man, these guys aren't fucking doing it. I like drew like a shitty comic, as you remember, like a random shitty comic, and
I don't
released
remember
it out
this.
there.
Hmm.
Yeah, and then the next time we had articles ready, and you were like,
After
no,
that,
I'm bored.
after that, my memory is blank, so I'm not going to listen to anything you say. Yes.
Basically, I'll tell you guys what happened. Audi and I were delayed on 1 month, and then we were like, you know what, we should do it. We shouldn't leave it empty like that. So we wrote articles, and then we were like, Sid, when are we doing the next thing? He's like, yeah, I'm bored. I'm not going to do it anymore.
Oh, that's not true.
And then we sat.
That is very true.
Tried to talk Sid into it for a good amount of time. I remember what I was doing. I had gone to Central Park, which is not the New York version. It's the knockoff Mumbai version in Kharghar actually. I was walking back home and we were talking about this on Discord because I was like, Sid, we need to release, and you were like, no, I'm bored. I'm not going to do it. And
Yeah, I
Audi
have
was
no
also
memory
on
of
the
this,
call.
so I don't know what details you're adding and removing. It's very suspicious.
No, I
Can't
do
be
not add or
trusted.
remove details. I'm very honest when it comes to things in
Yes,
life.
people who say they're honest are usually very honest. Yes.
As opposed to people who say they're dishonest.
Interesting.
Hmm.
There's like some Ben Shapiro thing. over there.
Fucking unnecessary
People
mental
who say that
gymnastics.
honest are the ones who are honest.
Surprising, you need to say you're honest to prove a point. And not actually.
Wise. Wisdom, big
manipulation.
words. Hmm.
I don't trust. I don't
Not
trust.
actually. Not actually what? I'm sorry, how else do I. Like, hey, are you honest? And I'll be like,
Oh, paradox.
Maybe.
Hmm.
how does that work? But yeah, those Dota days were fun. That time I
Those
didn't
Dota
have
days
money.
were fun. None
I
of us
couldn't
did.
get the fancy arcanas.
That is true. You didn't have your so-called job, yeah, that you do have now.
Hmm.
What do you mean so called? It's a job.
I
at the
was
end of the
thinking
day.
if you want to bring it up or not. That's why I was hesitating a little, but I brought it
Oh,
up
okay.
anyways. Yeah.
It is a job.
I don't know what Brew
That's
wants
for
to talk
later.
about and doesn't want to talk about. That's why I just mentioned job. Yeah.
Yeah, like that's still for later. Like Dota was like the first 4 months.
Yeah, we
Hmm.
did it forever. And also, I want to say all of us became fucking fat as shit. And then
Mhm.
later on, towards the end, we started like this weight loss challenge. You know,
Joke's
which
on
is
you, buddy. I was
apparently-
always fat as shit.
which is apparently still going on.
It is still going on because all of us lost like a. Okay,
have-
Sid and I lost like a good amount
We
of
lost
weight.
a good amount. Yeah.
I lost up to 4 kilos.
Hey, I
before.
think you gained
That's
weight
a
again,
lie.
Audi.
That's a bold-faced
I think
lie,
you're
Audi.
heavier than you were when you started the
I
weight
am.
loss
I
challenge.
am. I definitely am. I have to check once.
Yeah, but
I'm still at least like maintaining my weight somewhat.
yeah,
Hmm.
so I think you're doing basically to explain it like we were like, who can lose 10 kg the fastest was this thing, right? Because
Yeah.
like I was I think 10 kgs overweight and you were also like around 10 kgs overweight, Brew.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Audi was a few more kgs overweight.
A few,
So-
yes.
He was a few tens of
Yeah.
kgs overweight.
Yes, and my brother also took part in it, so we were like, let's see who does it the fastest, and the winner just says like haha to like to all the losers, right?
Yeah, it's
The
like
winner
it's
just gets
like
bragging rights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bragging rights basically. That's why we do these things, you know. It's important to us. So
Holds an odd amount of value, yes.
kept going, we kept losing weight, gaining weight, losing weight, gaining weight.
Unhealthily losing weight, mind you.
Yeah.
But
Brew
you know
went
what?
next
I can excuse all of us eating the foods we like, but Sid, you and fucking Aloo Bhujia are
Hey,
cursed.
it's
I must say,
like my
every single
favorite.
time you've had Aloo Bhujia, you've had some horror story follow up with it.
It's too addicting, dude. I can't help it.
Dude, through the pandemic, you ate Aloo Bhujia like 4 times, and
Oh,
every
many
time you
times.
asked, yeah, not many times, but the times you did eat, it was the quantity that mattered, you know.
Yeah, so you eating aloo bhujia 4 times is equal to a family eating it every day for the year.
Hmm.
Also,
Because they eat it in moderation and you eat like 20 packets of it at once.
also to dig myself into a
Deeper
bigger
hole.
ditch.
Per whole.
Yeah, I used to finish the 1 kg
1
packet
kg
in a
packet,
day.
yes.
In a day.
In a fucking day, oh my god.
And again, since most of our viewers come from outside
Yeah, please
India, aloo bhujia
is-
basically is a snack that is fried potato with spices on it.
Yes.
And
Fucking
it comes in like
amazing.
little sticks. And if you have 1 kg of it, that's
Imagine
Huge
like
amount.
large spicy sprinkles, if you will. Potato sprinkles that are large and spicy.
Yeah, sure.
I would say they're about the size of sprinkles.
Around, yeah. They're slightly larger, but yeah. The sprinkles would be a good way of portraying it.
Sprinkles which are made out of potato.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
sprinkles
only
is
the one
good,
made
but
by
not too
Haldiram,
large.
everything else sucks.
Yes.
But yeah.
They are described as namkeen or salty snacks, and
Indian
as Sid would
snacks.
call it, drugs.
Drugs, yeah. Indian drug snacks. Dude, that shit is too much. I could like.
This video is going to get demonetized so hard.
Yeah.
I mean, not that we get any money out of it, but still, YouTube is just going to be like.
Well, we need the.
AI is going to be like, are these guys for real? Like,
Yeah.
seriously? I don't even have to watch 20 minutes of it to ban
I
it.
know, right? No, but
How far
dude,
into
that
this
shit-
video?
It's like it's too addicting. Like I can't help it. I keep telling my parents to not buy it, and they purposely buy it. I don't know why, and I'm like, I see it there. I'm hungry. I open. I take a bite of the apple of Eden, and then it goes down. That's all.
And instead of knowledge, you get diarrhea.
Diarrhea,
Diarrhea,
bloating,
headaches.
gas, acidity, indigestion.
Well, I mean, if you
headaches.
do eat like that much aloo bhujia, I'm assuming that anybody would fall in.
Yeah.
Remember, I did fall ill recently like crazy. I was so sick because
Yes.
of that, and that was just after the aloo bhujia incident.
I am pretty sure that this is not the platform you should be telling those stories on. I refuse to allow those stories onto this podcast.
No, I'm not gonna get into the gritty details. Don't worry. I'm
Yes,
not gonna.
those are reserved for us,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
I'm just talking about the those are only
You
reserved for
guys
y'all.
have no idea how much I just saved you. Whoever's watching, I just saved your asses.
No, I wasn't intending on telling them. Don't worry. I wasn't going to go.
Yeah,
that
I think the
deep into
algorithm would have
details.
just knocked this video
Yeah.
out. It's like, nope,
But
not
it was
anymore.
crazy. Basically, aloo bhujia and a shit ton of coffee caused me to almost, you know, die. I guess
Die.
I don't
Die
know.
of
Yeah, it was pretty
dehydration.
fucking terrible. Yeah. Hmm.
The weird thing is like through the pandemic, I actually started eating a lot more
Hmm.
healthy.
You did
A lot more?
Healthy.
Yeah.
Healthy.
And
hmm.
it was after I got my job that I became very, very unhealthy again.
That is true.
So right now I live off noodles, coffee, and the occasional fried frozen food like fries or smileys
And
or
biscuits.
veggies.
And biscuits, yeah.
And biscuit. But biscuits are like it's like a once a day snack with the coffee.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's true.
That's my breakfast
I think-
because
I
I don't
think-
have time to make breakfast anymore.
Yeah, during the pandemic, you had more time to plan out your shit as well, right? Didn't you say you had like a full...
I didn't plan out anything.
He
but
was
I just
doing,
legit
I think for
I
2
was
weeks.
just cooking what I felt like cooking.
No,
3
but
weeks.
you did meal prep for like 2-3
Hmm.
weeks.
I did meal
right?
prep for
Yeah,
3
that's
weeks,
what.
yeah.
Yeah.
But then everything closed down and I couldn't
Yeah.
get access.
Yeah, I
to
think it was a mix of
things I
not being
wanted.
let out and, not getting the shit you wanted, so you had to make do with
Yeah.
what you found.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I don't know if you want to talk about it. I won't talk about Bruce's situation, but his like food situation is pretty fucked up. Yeah.
Well, I can explain it
Hmm.
easily. It's
Hmm.
just I'm not a vegan and my parents are staunch vegans.
Hmm.
So
And, so I can't eat any non-vegan stuff. So that is like my only problem with this pandemic. Actually.
yes, that is yeah.
I mean, well, a few family members have died, but
Hmm.
maybe that shouldn't have happened. But aside from that,
Yeah. No, but
well, I just miss the taste of pizza. I guess
yes, I do miss it. Last week.
I
was
will
good.
kill you.
The pizza last week was pretty nice. I miss it.
Ah.
Maybe I should order some tomorrow. Or do you want to order some tomorrow?
Maybe.
No.
But I think...
That's the thing. I'm not a person who likes going out. I do
Yeah.
not like going out to meet friends. I do not like going out for movies. I do not like going out for shit.
Yeah,
the
that's
only thing
true.
I like going out for
Is
if
us.
I'm buying tech.
No.
Damn
He's not
it.
a very good friend to have. Don't worry. It's not even us.
Hey! I always meet you guys.
fucking
Yeah.
hit him where it hurts. But
Right in the heart. Heart.
I'd say one of the biggest problems.
My oil-filled, cholesterol-filled heart.
Right in the heart.
Hmm.
Can,
But yeah.
One
what
of
were
the-
you saying?
Hmm.
The only reason I ever go, I'm excited to go out is when I'm buying something very specific. Okay, if it's clothes, I'm like, but then if it's technology, where I'm like, wow, okay, I'm going to go get a new hard disk, or I'm going to go get a new laptop. If it's a laptop, I will run to the store before somebody can even get the car going and actually take me there. Okay, you call an Uber, I would have already run to the store and would be waiting there like, yo, where you at?
Yeah.
That is almost exactly how it happened when I originally got my got this laptop, which is now dead. I got it like almost 8-9 years ago,
Hmm.
and my dad wanted to order it online. I was like, you're not ordering shit online. Okay, you're gonna take me to that goddamn store. We're gonna buy it right now. I'm gonna test it out before we buy it, and I'm gonna take that box home. Okay, if I don't have it in my hands right now, I will lose my shit.
Yes. Drew does not like ordering from Amazon because of that reason.
I do not. I hate it. Yeah.
He
As-
wants it
yeah.
in his hand.
For the amount of window shopping
if I
you
ordered
do.
it from no, that's the thing. When I ordered the monitor, which for work and editing, I was checking Amazon
work.
every 5 minutes. Okay, I was like, oh, where is it? Oh, did it move? And clearly, it's in a truck somewhere, and it's being taken from one place to the other, and the truck driver doesn't actually give a shit whether my monitor is being updated or not on the app.
Yeah. Mm.
But I'm like, yo, where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's in this warehouse. Oh, they didn't update it yet. Why are they taking so long? It's terrible. But I did have to order after this laptop. Like eventually gave up and couldn't handle my college projects and initial work stuff. I had to switch to my current laptop, and that one was ordered online, but that was pre-pandemic time, so it came in like a
Yeah.
day. So I was
Hmm.
like okay with it.
Yeah, but that's
In fact, I wasn't even home. I wasn't even home when the laptop came. Like I had gone out. I'd gone to college, or I think we'd gone for a college fest or something.
You're
I
at
came
Chembur, I
back
believe.
home. Yeah, I came back home and it was there, and I was like,
Yeah, it's
And it
really-
was my first experience with an SSD as well. So I clicked the power button and it just went rip, and then it immediately opened. I was like,
Yeah,
holy
it was
shit!
really cool. Yeah. Like after you bought it, I think my laptop died soon after. Like my laptop decided to
Yeah.
die soon after, which caused me to
Yeah.
like fail a module in college because I couldn't complete the
Ah.
project.
Only that, yeah.
But and after
Nothing you're not
that-
used to.
Nothing I'm not used to. But after that, I got this one, and even I was like, holy shit, this is some like futuristic shit. Damn, fucking hell.
And
Just press it.
that's the thing. So the three of us had the same laptop, and
Yes.
we so I inspired them to buy it. Or actually, I guess it was more of they just saw the laptop and they were like,
Yeah, I think we saw the laptop, and at the
Shit,
time
don't
it was like top of the line. So we were like, fuck, we need to get this.
It was.
yeah. And then Sid and I, after Sid came back from his third year in college in Singapore, Sid and I went to meet Bob, and
Bob.
Bob was like, hey, I have the Lenovo Y700. And we're like, what? You have it? And he's like, yeah, why? And Bob is this person who really did not like other people having the same
Yes,
things he
yes,
did, because
yes.
he would
For some
he
reason.
preferred to have the coolest tech and be like, haha, you nubs, I
Yeah.
have this, check it out. And then we were like, yeah, we have the Y700. He's like, what? And he's just staring at us like,
Yeah.
how did you guys know I got it? I'm like, why do we need to know you
Yeah, I
got
know,
it for us
right?
to
Yeah,
get
yeah,
it?
yeah. He probably
And- yeah.
expected that first. You expected like, yeah, these guys can't afford that shit because it's a
Yeah.
fucking expensive laptop. At that
It's an
time, it
expensive
was.
laptop,
Yeah. Hmm.
Yes. And then Nvidia and Intel decided to show us what real expensive was.
Mhm. Yeah. Now
And,
these
now-
babies are very old. Poor guys.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And now if you want a GPU, the GPU alone costs 0.5 times this laptop.
Yes.
Hmm.
More than this laptop.
More
1.5
than
times
this laptop. Yeah, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's pretty. We need to get new ones soon, I guess.
Yeah, like if we need to do the podcast and last take regularly, we will need new laptops.
We'll upgrade.
Mhm.
We'll upgrade. Yes, yes. We have a lot of cool stuff planned in the future, by the way, for like Beep 101. Not gonna give
Yes.
any of like update, but we have like some crazy plans. I'll just let you know that.
Apparently, some of those plans involve me sitting on the toilet. But
Yeah.
Yes, that is one of the plans, and you're gonna enjoy that. Trust me. And so is Brew.
apparently,
The
Yeah, but
idea
as
is
with
long
that
as I don't have to put my pants down.
I don't think you have to.
maybe you don't.
Maybe.
you don't. What's wrong with that?
No.
Hey,
Demonetization.
Audi is the one who'll have to put mosaic and blur it in post. So do you really mind if he's the one who has to like edit every frame?
I was actually going to say something, but that reminded me of something else. In the pandemic life,
Mhm.
do you guys remember the time I had to go and buy something for my dad from the medical store, and I went on my cycle?
Oh, can we tell that story? Have you told it before on the podcast?
I think it was
Yes,
told
I've
before,
heard the
but
podcast.
Can
it
you
is.
just give a quick version of it for like the new listeners or whatever?
Oh shit.
Please.
I mean, if anyone, it's 42 minutes. Nobody's listening at this
Yeah,
point.
yeah,
I know
yeah.
that for sure. But if anyone is listening, you're gonna have fun. I had to. I was not. Okay, so I used to be a very big fan of the cycle when I was a kid, and then as I grew up, I just
The
got more and
cycle.
more averse to it and became fatter,
Hmm.
and then eventually didn't want to cycle at all.
Mhm.
And my dad was like, just take the bloody cycle, go to the store and buy me the goddamn milk that I need because we can't make your grandmother coffee. I was like, oh, god damn it, okay. And me being the genius that I am, forgot to take a bag and instead took an umbrella because it was raining, and my logic was, hey, it's raining, so I should take an umbrella.
Hmm.
And I'm a person who can walk a long distance. And I told my dad, I'll just go walking, and he was like, no, take the cycle, it's faster. You know, your grandma needs to drink coffee now. I was like, okay. And I just took the umbrella out of habit because I used to walk with the umbrella. And then I left the cycle outside the store, and it was during the pandemic as well. So, you know, I was like, nobody's going to steal this, right? Except somebody stole my umbrella.
Just your fucking luck, right?
Yeah, I was like, great, okay, somebody stole the umbrella, but it's fine. So I put in, I forgot the bag, and I had three Tetra packs of milk, soy milk, and I put one in the bottle holder of my cycle, and I was like, where the hell do the other two go?
Yeah.
And I tried putting them in different places, and I was like, I'm a goddamn genius, I have balanced it, physics master right here. And then I start cycling, and one of it falls to the left, and I attempt to catch it, and I lose balance, and I scratch this cab from the back to the front,
God.
and the guy gets pissed and starts yelling at me, and this other guy, you know, I'm like apologizing, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so screwed. Another guy comes and he's like, "What happened? Are you okay?" And my cycle. My dad had put like two mirrors on the side of the cycle so that he could take it out and he could drive like a fancy person apparently.
Apparently.
And one of those mirrors just got straight blasted off. So people thought I was like in danger or something.
Yeah.
And they kind of covered it up and they were like, "Okay, get the fuck out, just go out." And I had like one packet of soy milk remaining. And I had two. At that time I had two. And then I'm cycling back and then I'm like, something feels weird. And then I look down and I realize I've left a trail of milk from the time I started cycling.
Oh,
to the point
no.
where I noticed it.
Wow.
And I was like, what the hell is happening here? And then turns out one of the two Tetra packs
Yes.
was leaking. I was like,
Well,
this is gone. And then I threw that as well. So out of the 3 packs I bought, one fell down and burst. The second one started leaking and I had to throw it away. And the third one was battered and looked like a truck ran over it.
but it
without
was
bursting it.
okay.
Hey.
But it was still
You missed
milk.
an important point of the story.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. I didn't notice it at that time,
My
did I?
favorite
So-
part.
Yeah. So while I was cycling, I also noticed something else. And then I remembered that when I fell, I had heard a rip sound. I didn't realize what it was. I was like, okay, something must have gone wrong with the cycle. And then I looked down, and it turns out that my pants had torn from the crotch to the thigh, and there was like a cut on my thigh which I didn't even realize at the time. And I didn't know what the hell to do because there was nothing to cover it. So I ended up holding the Tetra pack in
Also,
front of my...
wait. If you all don't know, Brew always goes commando. Now continue.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
so
important point. here.
I ended up holding the Tetra pack in front of it like this, so that people, so that I would. See, the thing was, even though it's a pandemic, as we just said, there were people walking around,
Yeah,
and there
no
were a
one
lot of women
cares.
and children.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I really did not want to be labeled a sexual
Predator.
I don't know, displayer or something,
Yeah.
and get
Exhibitionist.
arrested for
Yeah.
get arrested for public nudity, and then Indian jails are not great
Oh, not
by
at
any
all.
means. Indian cops are not great people to deal with
Mm-mm.
because you have to be a master negotiator to get away without paying them a fuck ton of
Even
money.
if you
That is
are,
true.
it's kind of hard most times, because they don't negotiate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I hid my crotch with the Tetra pack, and then I go up to the store, I ask for a newspaper, and then I stuff it in my pants.
Sid is fucking dying over here.
I'm just imagining him doing that, dude. You have no idea how I laughed, dude, when he first said it to me.
And the thing is, the shopkeeper was like, yo, listen, just go to the side of the store and do it. Nobody's going to look, don't worry, I'll take care of it. I was like, you know what, dude, at this point, thanks. That's the best thing I have going for me.
Newspaper
And-
underwear.
And I stuffed the newspaper down my pants, and it covered. I had to make it cover my thigh as well. And then I hold the bottle of soy milk. The Tetra pack of soy milk in my hand. I hold the cycle with the other hand, and I was like, I am not riding this piece of shit ever again. I'm going to throw it and burn it in the ditch. And I walk back home doing that. the
Oh
whole
my
way.
god.
And when I walk in, my dad's like, "What's wrong with you? I asked you to get the damn milk so that we could make coffee for your grandmother." And then he sees me looking like a mess with paper showing out of my crotch. And the soy milk packet is like completely battered up and dirty. He's like, "You know what? I'll ask later." And then I go to my sister. I'm like, "Yeah, I tore my pants falling off the cycle." And she's like, "What the hell?" And then I go to my brother. I'm like, "Yeah, I tore my pants falling off the cycle." And he responded much like Sid is now. And the thing is, I also told my girlfriend, and she was very concerned for me at the time.
The only
And I was
person
like,
who was
finally.
concerned, right?
Yes.
I was like,
Yeah.
finally, one person gives a shit about my horrible day. And then after that, I show her a picture of what happened. I was like, "See, this is what happened."
Yeah.
And then she bursts out laughing. I was like, "Hey, you just told me that you felt bad for me." And then she's like, "Yeah, because I didn't want to make you feel worse by laughing." I was like, "What? You didn't have to say that. You could have just kept silent." And she's like, "No, I can't control it now. I really need to laugh." I was like, "Holy shit. Fuck my life. Nobody gives a shit."
Oh no, we give a
Dumb
shit.
as
Just
shit what you did, dude.
yeah.
Can you learn how to fucking cycle? It's not that hard.
I know how to cycle. I couldn't cycle 3 Tetra packs of milk without a bag.
Why didn't you just ask for a bag? These shops normally keep
They
like
don't have plastic. There's a plastic
no,
bag
no,
in
no.
their
I know
body.
they have like gunny bags in the back. You know.
Yeah, they have
They
cloth
didn't. I
bags.
asked them for a bag. They gave me a paper bag without even a handle. You know, it's one of those medical bags with a spiky
Oh
end.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Those are shit.
Yeah, they put
dude.
it in that.
Was it cold? Soy milk?
No, thankfully it was.
Ah, okay, that would be worse. Yeah.
Yeah.
But my
Yeah, but
goodness.
that shit is hilarious, dude. Yeah. Man, your
This
stories
fucker
are
wiping his eyes after laughing so much.
your stories are perfect for the podcast because they are not like not safe for work, but they are funny as hell. Like so, they're like amazing.
It's like the fucking Rick and Morty 20-minute adventure in and out, and you go like, here is a cycle. Nothing wrong will happen at all.
I didn't understand your Rick and Morty reference. I'm sorry.
Well,
He said like it's a 20-minute adventure, but they end up in it for 3 months.
Okay, I see.
and it's just pain and suffering by the end of it. Ha 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 ha.
But yeah,
Yeah,
that's
I have had a few adventures in this.
Mhm.
Didn't
Quite a
you
few
didn't you have an
adventures.
incident with a bike rider as well? Didn't you get nearly hit by a bike rider?
Oh no, I got hit.
Oh, you got hit. Okay,
I
right.
fell. And then the guy was like, "Oops, sorry," and then he found out.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
Ah, that was
that was genuine. Okay, I will tell you. That was not my fault. That was genuinely not my fault. But then there was this one really stupid thing that I did, and I told Sid about it. I told you about it as well, and you both laughed at me again.
Hmm.
I took out. So now after that I learned to cycle very well. Okay? I barely fell unless I was hit by an external force. But this one time, there was a two-wheeler parked over there, a scooty parked in front of my. It was kind of like I had to turn my cycle, and it was right next to it. And I tried to turn the cycle, and I was sitting on it. I tried to turn it, and I moved my leg, and then my leg kind of hit the scooty, got a little behind, and I just went from like this to on the ground.
This
I was just
guy.
like this, and then I was like, and I fell.
Oh
And
my
the-
god. dude.
And the security guard at my building is just standing there in shock. Like,
Yeah,
this
he's like,
moron.
Forget
just
how to-
fall.
Did you forget
Literally
to
just fall?
Did you forget to just put like a leg out, like a step down? Like you were just like
My leg got caught. My leg got caught in the other
You have
vehicle.
two legs.
And I was my left hand was like struggling to find something to prop this thing again. So I went like this. I started falling. I was like, and then I fell because I couldn't actually catch on to anything.
Bru will do cycling vlogs in the future so that y'all can see.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Dude.
But
Yeah,
If people are ready to buy me a new phone every time I crash and destroy the current one I'm using, I will do
you'll be able to open up a shop.
Yeah, I don't think this will end well. It'll be more like Jackass, you know, with you just injuring yourself
my
every
God.
episode in like crazy ways. But yeah, the pandemic was like.
But
it was,
hmm.
it was
I think
painful
the-
to
I
be
think the-
locked at home, dude. Fuck.
we were locked up. We were locked up for around 9
We were not
months.
locked up, Audie. you,
Well,
you.
we were all in our homes for around 8 to 9
Yes.
months, and I think the first time we met was around November 2020. Was it?
When the lockdown went off, right? Yeah.
No, I think even
We
after
still
the
met only
lockdown
for
went
the
out.
shoot, like
Yeah,
only
we
for
met.
last take
Yeah,
we
we were
met.
shooting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
otherwise we didn't really meet.
Hmm.
And we are again in our own homes, you know, like.
I think our our initial last take sets look like shit compared to the ones we had.
Yeah. They were pretty. They were
Because
it-
we had like such a convoluted way to do things,
Yeah.
especially when you had to come to your house, because we had like 3 little stools stacked
Yeah,
up to
3
put
stools.
figurines
Yeah,
on,
yeah.
and then we had like the huge table with the
Mhm.
wire going all the way, and then we had some person holding up the light. from
Mickey
the-
And
mo-
like
mostly
the
holding
up
the light,
monitor,
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then Audi couldn't come the first couple of
Yeah,
weeks,
he
so we had to
couldn't.
put a tab over there with
Yeah.
him on the
On
Discord
the
so that he could
stairs,
see
yeah.
what was going
Yeah.
on. Oh my god. and we had to bring your laptop and monitor
Oh.
down so that I could read everything and you could take care of the audio. And nobody was there for the
Crazy.
camera at that. Oh my god!
I had to like
Insane.
start the camera and then start
Yeah.
the audio and then be like, yes, let's go, and then start the
Yeah.
teleprompter and be like, now go.
Yeah, now go.
No, but
Thankfully.
even that also we were just like it's another thing we did where we didn't plan. We just come, we figure, like set it.
Yeah,
up
we
and
just
then
had
go.
shit. We just had a general idea of it,
It's
and
the
was like,
first
okay, let's just
time we've
fucking
done
run with
something
it.
like this. Is strange, right? Because usually we put
Yeah.
so much into it and it kept failing. And one thing we're like,
Maybe this is like that thing which they say, like, you know, I don't try to put out perfect work, just put out work. Where we were like,
I
we
suppose.
didn't think it through. We are just like, fuck it, just put it out, and then we made it good eventually anyway.
Hmm.
yeah, we still made it good because we still want to make good stuff as much as we can, for our awqat.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I think our videos are pretty good right now.
yeah,
on Plastic.
I enjoy them. Yeah.
And
they're
our
fun.
podcast is getting better and better.
Yep.
Did you see the production value on
Yeah,
Tasmania? Holy shit!
Hmm.
Like, damn, that editor is like, oof.
They're getting better at
Good editing, yes.
They're getting better at talking also. I think Audi is actually started talking. If you hear the first episode, Audi like barely used to say one word.
Yeah, the
Oh my
first.
God, Audi has like the largest amount of improvement.
Oh, dude,
Ah,
he
yeah.
saved
Especially
you.
compared to me, because I'm perfect and I have no scope for improvement.
I
Audi
see.
really improved a
Dude,
lot.
Audi improved like crazy. Like from like he actually left the podcast at one point for like those who don't know. Then he
Yeah, I think
joined back
around
again.
6 episodes. Yeah.
And then he joined,
back as a background.
Yeah, just like
voice.
managing like transcripts and like seeing if everything is going well. And then he slowly came on, barely used to speak. Then he started speaking more and more and more, and now he speaks like a good amount. I would say like he speaks really well.
It
I'd
was
say
all
it's
because of
still.
me, I must say.
Yeah, I'll give credit to you
Because
both.
Space Brothers, Space Brothers, I was like, Audi, what are your thoughts? Audi has
Yeah.
thoughts. Why doesn't
yeah,
Audi just
'cause
come
he
on the
Yeah, you
podcast
did
and say
enable.
this?
Yes.
Yeah.
And Audi was like, okay, I come, I guess. And then he spoke. And then I was like, hey, Audi, you spoke well. And then Seems like, yes, Audi, you spoke well. And then Audi's
Fine,
ego
I'll
got
give it.
inflated immediately, and he was like, I speak well, motherfuckers.
Yeah, what
But I kind of ride on small victories, as you can.
And now he's also
As
a
you can
pro editor for Last Take for us.
I am.
Which was also because of me.
Good job, Audi. Very good job.
Good job, bro. Good job.
I will
Yeah,
take the
guys,
credit
the
for
next
that as well.
generation,
Mostly,
even
Everyone
though
yes.
the
like
current
this video
generation.
for Audi. Every like Audi's smile will get bigger.
It never stops. But yeah, I'd say around
yeah.
6 episodes. I was around the sixth. On the 6th episode, I straight up froze in the middle of recording, and we just had to stop it for the night, and we recorded
Yeah.
the next day itself. And I think it was Full Metal Alchemist, if I believe. And huh?
You weren't there.
Full
You
Metal
didn't come
Alchemist
back
is
for
when
the
you
episode.
left. Yeah, we did Full Metal Alchemist. That was when me and Brew did
Yeah,
it
you
solo.
didn't come back.
I didn't come back. No,
after.
no. Like when we were recording on Saturday, right? And then that day I had that full attack over there, and I was like, "Fuck it, I'm done. I can't talk for this shit."
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
and
we
you
did.
didn't even come. You
yeah.
didn't even come for when we recorded.
Yeah, you freaked out. I remember we were like, Audi, like, so what were your thoughts? And you were like, just
Yeah.
And then you
As-
like panicked. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
At the time, I obviously it honestly felt like I was on the spot, and
Yeah.
I had this false illusion of me having to talk to a good amount of people, which is ironic considering we are talking to a lot more people right now. But
We're talking to ourselves, Audi. There's no one who listens.
Jones on you, Audi. No one
I
listens.
see.
It's only us.
But
Yeah.
I mean, after seeing the amount of
You're
validation.
watching. Tell Audi that you listen.
Yes.
Mhm.
Get that anxiety up again.
Mm-hmm. It'll be good. Who knows? I have certainly grown out of it, and yeah, managed to make a weekly series work somehow, and sort
Yeah.
of get myself slowly into that as well. And now,
Yeah, okay, that was another thing, because even before the pandemic, I was like not productive. But then after the pandemic, when the place I was at couldn't afford to hire most of its employees, including me, I was like, okay, I guess I just sit here and I be like, pandemic, woohoo, yeah.
Damn.
And
I
then
saved yours.
and-
Ah, wow.
No. But then
Yes. I was like, let's do
After-
something.
no, I'm leading it to a different point entirely.
Oh,
actually.
sorry. Okay, but I
he's
still
leading
made
it to
my
the
point.
genesis
It's
of
okay.
last take.
No, it involves Veep 101, but just not you
It's
say
okay. You don't have to outright give me credit. I understand. But yeah,
Mhm.
continue.
Okay, then. Yeah, but then we decided to do last take and I had to edit. I don't know if I should go on with this because Sid is too giddy with
Hey,
John.
just continue.
Last
Pretend
take,
I'm not
last take
here.
wasn't your idea.
Pretend I'm not here.
The podcast was your idea.
Pretend I'm not. One thing leads to another. I know how things happen. Just continue.
Yeah, basically with last take, I was able to at least do something. But then
Yeah,
what
that's
really
true.
changed things was my work, because when I started working, I was forced to wake up and sleep at certain times, and I had to do the podcast work irrespective of how my work went.
This is the
So
one you
I would-
have right now, right? Not the one before.
One
that
I
you
have
fired
right
from.
now, yeah, yeah. So yeah, I'm not going to name them because I don't want to give them more.
Sorry, I
popularity for no
just
reason.
said that
But
without thinking.
those
You know
guys-
how my mind.
those
Sorry.
guys
Yeah.
were, well, I guess
Hmm.
it was more like yeah, I guess it could be fire, but
Yeah, I didn't
also
mean to
want
say that.
Continue
Yeah.
because of
Things happen.
More
and you
so,
have to
yeah,
leave,
laid
yeah.
off than fired. Yeah.
Sometimes my mouth works faster than my brain.
No, I'm just thinking of it. I'm just imagining. They wanted me to work. I wanted to work, but then they were like, no, we can't pay you enough. So I was like, okay, then I'm not going to work. And then they were like, okay, then don't work. So
Mhm.
Which
I don't really know if it's just being fired or if it's like.
is odd
mutual-
considering they said that they had no other option. They said they couldn't find
No, they
any.
had lots of options. They were just managing it.
Wait, so you
badly
quit
last
and
week.
then they fired you after you quit? That's what you're saying?
No, that's the thing. I said I'm not going to work if you're not going to pay me.
Yeah.
And they
Hmm.
were like, okay, we can't pay you. So I'm like, then I'm not going to work. Then they were like, okay, then don't work. So I don't know if it's like being fired or if it's me quitting or if it's both.
Yeah, it's strange. It's a mutual understanding, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what really is sad for them is that we are not a big channel by any means.
No, we
They
still
have
know
they
it.
they
Yeah.
have like a lot of people reading their site every day,
Mhm.
and they have no video presence at all.
Yeah.
I was ready to help them with video presence.
Yeah, I thought they had something coming up.
No, they had something coming up, but they didn't actually do shit, and they didn't have anyone who could actually do.
I see you are the
everything.
person behind it.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Or you were the
maybe they
person
wanted
who was
to
going to
do
carry the
the
shit out of
video-
it.
YouTube stuff.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I came up with the. In fact, our formats were originally thought of as like different versions, obviously. not
Yeah,
the exact
different.
same.
Yeah, it's
Hmm.
not the same. Yeah.
But
Oh yeah, that's how it's.
they were-
Yeah, I remember
Yeah, yeah,
now.
Yeah, I
Mhm,
thought I
mhm.
was thinking of formats for them, and then they were like,
Mhm.
"Nah, we're not going to do it." So I was like, "Okay, then maybe we can adapt this to be like a V101 thing." Because
Oh,
at least
yeah.
that way, even if it doesn't work for us, it'll be a proof of concept for them. And I think the proof of concept was definitely there because as nobodies we've gotten so many reels over 1K views. And
Yeah,
so many
yeah,
likes
it's like
and so on.
crazy actually, and like for us, it's actually a lot. Like it's actually a lot. Like because
Yeah.
I think
we've
every-
never had
yeah.
like shit. Even like one guy commenting, like we see it, we're like, holy shit, people
Dude,
actually care.
every
Like, it
comment that we
actually-
get so
yeah.
far, like there are like
Feels
these
nice.
gems of comments that keep coming saying underrated channel is good content, keep up the good work, and it's actually like proper validation
Thank
right
you.
now.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know if that dude checks out YouTube, but one dude on Instagram told me to fuck my girlfriend.
Hey, you converted
Said
him, okay?
Something bad about Attack on Titan, and yeah, he got really sad after that.
Hmm.
But he repented. But
No, it's okay. Yeah, we can talk about deep shit. We
I
forget
think our
it,
most,
but yeah.
as far as getting viewers and subscribers is concerned, our most recent achievement would be the first person who joined our Discord channel.
Shout out.
Ciao, ciao. Yeah. Oh, Sienna makes a surprising presence.
Yes, as the audio listeners can see, Brew is showing his dog on camera.
hey, so here's the thing: when she's not on the podcast, she usually sits like this very comfortably. But then every time I've got her onto the podcast, she's like, it looks like I'm torturing her, and she wants
Yeah.
to get away from
She-
me as soon as
Yes, it
possible.
already looks like that.
In her defense, she always has that look that she's being killed or she's about to be killed or something. She just hates that pose in general.
No, yesterday she sat with me like this while I was talking to my sister and brother.
Fly.
Yeah,
Fly or your nose. Okay.
no, it's a fly.
But yeah, yeah. Wait, what the fuck?
But
Were
yeah,
you
that's the thing.
talking
So when we have like so many
Oh, yeah,
views
last
and,
take,
so
yeah, we
many- so
were,
much reach as like nobody's, those guys could have who already had a base on Instagram could have actually reached quite a high level if they just
Yeah.
managed their
Fuck
shit
that.
properly.
One thing I want to actually say is it's surprising that only the three of us are able to manage a 7-day upload
Not really.
schedule.
I think we're pretty freaking good at what we do. Audi,
I mean,
speak for
7
yourself.
days. Fuck you. I
Hey,
am
bro,
the
we
editor
always
now.
knew we could do shit, right? We've tried so much in this thing. We just
Yeah,
kept
definitely.
failing
It's
at it. We just kept failing at it.
It's just that
yeah.
it's just that actually I don't know if this will ever go anywhere, but the only problem with doing something 7 days a week is not the effort that goes into it, but more of the how much are we getting out of it at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Because irrespective of the amount of joy we get from comments and reaching multiple people and people actually enjoying the stuff we put out, at the end of the day we still have to pay rent and we still have to
Yeah.
buy groceries, we still
Mhm.
need to
Monetary validation is
Yeah,
necessary.
and we're still doing it even though we don't have that shit. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Hmm.
But for me, it's more like I do not like. Okay, none of us like traditional workspaces,
Oh
Hmm.
no, fuck.
and
Last
none
person.
of us, none of us like rules. None of us like authority. None of us like someone telling us what to do and treating us like they know better. Because
Yeah, like basically.
we've spent years just figuring out how to do what we do.
Yeah, what
properly,
we
so
do
that
on our own. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, and it's not to be talked down to by other people, but it's to be standing there and be like, yes, I know my shit.
Yeah, and working like along with people, like
Yeah, not for
together.
people.
Yeah, exactly. That's
I think
what's
we've
important.
tried to develop the mentality of teaching rather than, lording over other people with the knowledge you have. Like,
Yeah, I don't lord over other people.
mm,
Because I'm so humble, dude.
mm,
I'm so humble. But yeah,
Copyright.
and definitely, and definitely not. The one thing I hate is like when a person who's not in the same profession, or like they might be in the same field but they're not in the same profession, when they decide whether what you've done is good or bad.
Oh, dude,
Hmm.
that's India. Everyone
So-
likes telling you that what you're doing is wrong, if you're not doing what
Yeah.
they're
Yeah.
doing, what they think is right. Like, that's very common over here. Like, you've heard it for every instance. Not
I
only
don't think
this,
that's
like,
just an
anything
India
I've tried
trope,
to
is it?
do. No, it is. That's what it is, an India trope. As far in my experience, because
okay.
living outside, people used to encourage me when I used to try random shit. But whenever I try random shit over here,
I mean-
people are like, yo, you're wrong.
Yeah, but this is the
That's how
common
you do it.
Asian
Blah,
trope,
blah,
right?
blah.
It's like
Yeah,
all
maybe
over
it's
in,
Asian. That's what I'm saying. According to my experience, I've only faced it in India.
even
Yeah.
in the movie Free to Play, the Singaporean player faces shit from his mom.
Oh yeah, definitely.
No, I'm
yeah.
not even talking. I'm not
No,
even
it's
talking
not
about
even
other
that.
things. Like if I'm a writer and you're an editor,
Hmm.
and your job has nothing to do with mine,
Mhm.
and you're like, hey, I can't write. I don't have any reason why this thing doesn't work for me, but it feels off. So please change it. I'm like, that's not up to you.
Yeah.
I'm the writer. I know it feels good. I know what makes sense, and that sort of thing is like very annoying for me.
Hmm.
So Veep 101 is like I mean, if it wasn't Veep 101, it would probably be something else. To
Hmm.
be honest, we're always going to do some random shit.
Yeah.
But
Remind me to say
Veep
something
101
after your point, which y'all won't enjoy that much, but yeah, continue.
yeah,
Hmm.
so Veep 101 is like a detox from work, so to speak, where I don't need to
Mhm.
worry about certain things. Like I know, like for example, at work I have to be like, okay, let me write this and think of how it will be
Mhm.
designed and how I can work with the designer
Yeah,
to make
yeah.
sure that the client accepts it, blah blah blah. Here I know I'm like, okay, I'm gonna write this, I'm gonna act it out. If I have a design question, I'm gonna be like, Sid, Audi, tell me exactly what to do here. I'm not going to think about it. You guys know your shit. Tell me what to do. And if it comes to writing something else, I know you guys are going to be like, okay, bro, do your shit. Don't involve me in the writing process unless you don't know the source material.
Yeah.
So that way it's like that's actual work where you're collaborating, where you're
Mhm.
actually doing things together and not just.
Yeah, I think we split up
ordering
tasks
people around.
pretty well among ourselves. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that it's not really work.
Yeah,
If
it's just
this
fun.
is what we had to do on a daily basis. First of all, we'd be releasing a lot
Oh,
more videos.
so
per
much
week.
more, dude. Like weekly series, we could do it in a day. We could finish that in a
Yeah.
day.
full editing and all.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
I
if you're
see.
sitting all day from morning, like it's
Yeah,
like
I will
not an
say that
issue,
if we
right?
all
Yeah.
sit together and actually sit down for a whole day and just
Mhm.
focus on the weekly series alone, yeah, I think we
Easy.
finish off editing almost immediately.
Yeah.
No, like okay, even if we say we have like stuff to do at home, we have chores, we have to go out and buy stuff, or we have other things to do.
Yeah, everything. Yeah.
2 days. 2
Yeah,
days.
2
we're gonna
days.
Finish off the whole thing.
Hmm.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have the time.
Yeah, it's still this thing.
And
the-
actually put
'cause
our heads to it.
we
yeah.
barely work like for people like I don't know. Yeah, people are like we barely work like for like 2-3 hours every night, right? On this, like I would say.
Yeah.
Around, yeah.
Yeah, we like basically meet at night and we're working on V1.
Hmm.
Night time is like V101 time
Web
for us.
time.
Right? Web time. So that's when
The
we-
fucking cuckoo clock at 9 o'clock. Holy shit, every
Fuck you.
single time.
to
But
keep
yeah.
a proper this thing so that things
Yes.
happen.
No, but that's the thing. Like
But
9
yeah.
o'clock. 9 o'clock, the cuckoo comes out and starts pinging all our phones.
Mm.
Yes.
And we all come on. If somebody needs photos, what other people look for it. If somebody needs music, it's looked for.
Mhm.
Mm.
Whoever suggested the idea looks for things that they specifically
Yeah.
want. And then the person is
Mm.
left with their own choices of memes and photos and ideas to put in.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's actually pretty
As long
fun.
as you get it done, it's done. And if you're late, then we do it late. Big deal.
Yeah, we are not very strict on like schedules, right? Because like I
Yeah.
think like if we go back, right, bro, like from a long time, from like since we met, right, like we've discussed about like opening our company. Remember, these are like discussions and
Yeah.
conversations we've had for years and years, right? And how we want our
Years.
culture and everything to be.
Yeah.
And I
There was
think
even a
that's
plan
influenced-
for a city, if in case either of you remember.
Hey, don't talk about our
Country.
future
Ah, yeah,
plans.
country, yes.
Okay, Audi. Let's start small. Let's not give them everything. But yeah, like I think like because of the way like the experiences and stuff like we've had working different places and all, right? And like the issues we had with like working with corporate entities, like you mentioned earlier before in this conversation. Because of that, like we ourselves have developed these principles and this that we work by, which works very well for us, like at least in our
Yeah.
experience. For us, like we have no issue with it, even though we've had our issues here and there, but it's not really in this factor, right? Like
Hmm.
And it's never been an actual issue.
yeah, it's not been like a ending issue, like like GG, we're done. Like it's not been like that kind of issue.
Yeah, it's
for us.
usually
Not that
it's usually
serious.
Like, fuck you, I'm right. No,
Yeah,
fuck
it's
you,
like-
no, you're wrong, I'm right.
Yeah,
Fuck
it's
you, I'm
basically
right.
that. No, but like legit, like the thing I wanted to say earlier, because so many things we did, like I never actually pictured like ever working like together with y'all on anything, like it becoming anything official,
Hmm.
because I usually ever since I'll tell you why. Like ever since I've grown up, people always say, oh, you should never work with your friends. This happens, that happens, because you can't tell your friends. Like a lot of issue, like why you shouldn't work with your friends. People have told me that all my life, And even though I didn't believe, like I didn't like be like, oh yeah, okay, I believe you, because unless I experience it myself, I'm not going to believe it. But like the thought is still in the back of your head, like you shouldn't work with your friends. But then I'm like, yeah, but it's easier to work with them because you know them pretty
Understand
well.
them better, yeah.
Yeah, and you understand, you know what they can do, you know what you can do.
Yeah.
You can like
No, and the thing is, like, not only that, but like it's also since we spent so much time together, just doing random shit like
yeah,
playing
we've
games.
seen each other's
discussing
buttholes, by the way, for
movies.
those who don't
Hmm.
know.
Yes, of course. It was a regular event before the
Yes.
pandemic.
You
Yes.
seen each other, what?
We've seen each other's buttholes.
I see. Yes.
Continue.
Yeah, so since we spent so much time just discussing general thoughts and ideas, it's automatically like easier to speak your mind and say whatever you want without causing any issues, because most likely the other people have something similar on their mind. So even like one issue we had recently was YouTube Shorts. Like
Oh,
whether
yeah.
we should put up YouTube
Yeah.
Shorts.
Hmm.
And in the end, I was like, hey, I just want Shorts to go up, so it can be on another channel. It can be its
Yeah,
own
yeah.
content. And you were like, okay, then make your own content. That's what
Yeah.
I've been saying. And
Yeah.
we're like, okay, cool, we do that then. And that was pretty much the end of it. It wasn't like, no, I don't want to do Shorts.
Yeah.
Shorts suck. Which we still haven't
We
recorded.
still,
by the way.
shots
still
is
haven't
coming
done
up,
soon.
coming up, yeah, someday.
Soon.
We'll do that.
Hmm.
I'll have to remind you all probably, but I'll do it. Yeah.
I'm sorry, if Google can say YouTube Shorts releasing soon in India and then it comes out 3 months later, I think we have the same.
Yeah.
Yes, coming soon.
Actually,
Don't
we
worry.
could-
Hmm.
We could say 2 years and nobody will actually.
Mhm.
It's 1 hour 13 minutes. Nobody's listening.
Yeah, nobody's
Hmm.
listening to. Yeah.
But yeah, like that's the thing. Like I can tell you both to fuck off. I can't go to my work. Like my work people, colleagues also say like you should be honest with us. You should tell us what's on your mind. If we
Oh.
fight, we fight. I'm like no, if we fight, I'm fired. I don't.
That's-
I'm
Yeah,
not,
yeah,
I'm not
yeah,
falling
exactly.
for
I
that.
don't. I don't think.
No,
I think
definitely.
asking you to voice your mind is like the worst advice, because you would fire off.
No, the
and
thing
the
is,
thing is like
we always
Yeah.
fight among ourselves, but the way we fight, we know like tomorrow we'll like fuck around with each other again. Like it doesn't matter,
Hmm.
right? But like if Brew fights with his like colleagues over there, like that's the end for him. He can't.
That's
he can't.
then he
fuck around
changes
the
his
same
name to
way.
Mutta after that.
Yeah, because he like I haven't had I've still worked for a company like that was pretty good, like work culture wise and everything. It was similar to like what we have, except like the close friendship and like how long we've known each other. It was still like one of the best places I worked at. But that was because my boss over there wanted to create that culture environment. And I did pick up a lot of things from there, that they go forward that we'll still be implying and stuff. But usually my experiences before that were quite similar to Bruce, yeah. And I guess most people's are, yeah. And
no, and the thing is right.
Hmm.
The thing is right. Nobody believes me when. So it's not like I'm humble bragging about this or something.
yeah.
It's actually a very bad thing. But
Hmm.
when I get pissed, my go-to is not shouting at people. It's making them feel like shit, like
Yes,
demeaning
that
the
is
fuck
true.
out of them
Hmm.
and making them feel horrible about life. Because I know if I shout at you, you're going to shout back. But then if I make you feel like, if you make you feel like you shouldn't have been born, that feeling is going to stay with you for a long time.
Yes, Brew has some issues, yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, and the thing is like, I do that, and it's like a bad habit. Like that's what I do when someone gets pissed off or pisses me off. I'm like, okay, you're just screwed, dude. You're screwed. And the thing is, nobody takes me seriously when I say that because I'm usually nice to them. So
Yeah,
like,
that
I'm
is
telling,
true.
even at work, I multiple times I've told them like, hey, listen, when I get angry, I start demeaning people, and that's not something I want to do. So can we all just get along? I'm legitimately trying not to get angry here, but this is causing an issue. And they're like, yeah, it's human nature to do that. I'm like, no. Listen, this is not about human nature.
Human nature.
No, it's about the way I speak. It's not a
Yeah.
good thing. Okay, you shout. I understand. Okay, you have shouted at me. I don't want to start this problem here. So can we stop shouting? And they're like, no. If we fight, we fight. I'm like,
I think
not gonna
it's-
work out.
that's the day we'll see the most toxic person on the planet.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but it doesn't work on us. We understand.
Yeah.
We straight up call him out. We're like, nice try.
Yeah.
But
No, but with everyone else, it does work.
yeah, it
because
does work. I know. I've seen that firsthand. Again,
They're just starting off like, what the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? to tell me
Yeah.
about this? What have you achieved in life? And that's where it starts. And then, see, these are things that if you told me, I'd probably be like, I have achieved nothing in life. Yes, I am
I
useless.
agree. Yes.
But then I'm not going to show it outside when someone says it. I'm going to be like, what the fuck have you done in life, huh? Like, fuck you, oh, look at me, oh, I'm sitting over here, oh, so cool. Okay, I'm not going to say anything out here because I'm
Yeah,
still in
let's
my nice
not.
mode.
Yeah, Bruce in his nice podcast. He's in his Tatemai, not his
Jeez.
own name. Yeah.
Yes.
But yeah. Oh, also speaking of that, Audi did start learning Japanese also during the pandemic and stopped, right?
I did, and I stopped. Yes.
Seeing the hiragana chart behind him that he doesn't remember.
Well, I remembered bits and pieces of it.
Well, I think we've all learned something new.
Yeah.
Sid has learned. You've actually learned a few languages in the middle as well, if I remember.
Yeah, I started Korean.
Korean.
And Chinese.
Korean and yeah.
Yeah.
Audi learned editing.
Yes.
Audi learned editing. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It was quite surprising because he went through multiple software as well.
Mm-hmm.
For a little bit of context, I spent 3 years trying to make Audi edit one video and it didn't work.
And now look
Yes.
at where he is.
This is
And,
this
yeah.
is like a very surprising.
Which
First
is
time Audi finished a video, I was like, is this a joke? Are you like, is this like some mean kind of joke that you're
Yeah,
telling me? Like,
yeah.
I don't have to edit because Audi edited. I was like, bullshit, no way. And then I look at the video, I'm like, This is like,
A
Yeah,
surprise.
it's surprising how this suddenly came out of him. Like I never saw him being like I told you, right? I wouldn't be able to add the things Audi adds, like, you know, maybe because we do it in very different ways, you know. Like I
Oof,
definitely
too many
wouldn't-
compliments.
and,
Oof, oof, oof.
and I don't know, because it's, I don't see myself as being that good, but I definitely would say that his edits are better than mine.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
yeah, but you're also not a
Hmm.
video editor. You're more of an
Animator, yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly an animator.
Yeah, it's been fun. I've tried a new experiments, and I've started doing a lot more animation also. Also started learning Houdini and Cinema 4D, which is fun.
I thought you couldn't use them because they were killing your laptop.
Hey, I can downgrade. Houdini works. Cinema
Yeah.
4D I had to
Oh,
downgrade.
yeah, sorry, Cinema 4D, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, Sid, trial version. Good thing you got the trial version before purchasing the full
Yes,
version.
yes,
So you could figure out
exactly.
whether it was
Yes,
working
yes.
Yeah, of
on
course.
a laptop or not.
Hmm.
Always.
And when I said multiple software for editing, I meant DaVinci, which is free, and
Free one, yeah. We use that.
OpenShot, the open source editor for Windows and Linux.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was quite an adventure.
Hmm.
A lot of plugins.
Quite
You
an
guys should
adventure.
check it out.
You should check it
OpenShot,
out. Mhm.
pretty cool. The guy who created it, very nice person.
Mhm.
Been a video editor for a while.
Yeah, and I animate on MS Paint. Pretty good software.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
I make one frame, export it, and then start
One
on
frame.
the other
And
frame.
then start on the other frame. Yes.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
But yeah, it's been
And I learned how to fix an air conditioner.
Oh yeah,
almost
that was
killing yourself.
actually, yeah.
Did
do you want
say-
to
did you
say that story? I heard only bits and pieces of
No,
it, but
I can't say that story on podcast because there are some people who do watch the podcast at times, and unfortunately
I
don't
see.
want to reveal my full stupidity to them as of yet.
We shall remind him again in the future what
Yes.
his stories. Yes.
Okay. During this pandemic, I learned it. So shout out to this up and coming tech channel, not very well known.
Not
It's
very
called Linus
popular.
Tech Tips.
of course, yeah.
I've learned a lot watching his videos. I thought I knew something about tech, and then I realized I know absolutely nothing. And then I watched his videos, and then I realized I know even lesser somehow because I thought the knowledge of what you needed was like this much. And then I realized without getting into any of the actual technical coding or
Yeah,
hardware
yeah,
stuff, your base knowledge should actually be.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, God damn it, I know nothing. I'm like, this dude's like, yo, XMP profile, activate this one here. And I'm like, what the hell is an XMP profile? And he's like, yo, adjust the voltage of this according to this and then this according to that. I'm like, you can adjust voltage? This is news to me. And then I realized that, okay, I have a lot to learn. But then, surprisingly, it actually bore fruit because Audi's drive disappeared.
Oh
and he
yeah,
wasn't able
his
to
drive.
figure out
Yeah.
what happened.
Holy shit.
And within
That's
2
why
days,
we were delayed
I
last week.
I
Yeah.
troubleshooted the entire thing, figured out it was a hardware problem, and he got a new drive and was up and running within 2 days. And even when the drive wasn't working, I managed to make sure that he was running off an external drive without any problems.
Shocking, eh?
That was very surprising because every time I've tried to fix my own tech shit, I've always screwed something up. Like I had to reset my laptop and my graphic driver stopped working.
Yes, that also did
Which-
cause
which-
us a lot
which-
of delays. Yes.
Yes.
Which eventually helped Audi because the same thing happened to him, but then I helped him fix it immediately.
Mhm.
2 days.
Yeah, we had a big during the day we put out our ad. After that, audience my drive vanished. Like the next day he started editing the video.
Yeah.
And he's like, guys,
Yeah.
my drive randomly vanished. And
It,
we're like, fuck.
it fucking
our luck
stopped.
sucks so much. The day we put it out.
It
Can't
fucking-
release
Like
videos.
the exact day.
Hmm.
We were like, oh my god, we got 2 new subscribers, and then we're like, yes, our video is delayed.
Yeah, I
Shit.
think we didn't have anything for 2 days, and then after that we had to release.
5:30. I just stopped working and I was like, okay. Hard restart. I hard restart, open laptop. My 2 drives are missing. There is nothing. It's invisible. It's gone. I was like, hello, bro. Can you please, IT man with the IT plan, please to come save.
And
Yes.
because of that, or actually because of things in general, I have been called the IT support for V11 in our latest video.
Mm.
Yes, he is the IT support for V101. it's easier, you know, if something's wrong, we're like, bro, please,
Yes.
fix, thank you.
The third time we put up our ad, it's going to be Sid's computer who needs fixing, and that's when Brew will come in.
Yeah, like it's always, we discuss this, it's always something that when we have something important going on is when something gets too low.
I know,
Mm.
right? It's weird how that happens. But apparently, we're still up and running somehow.
Somehow.
Yeah.
Somehow it's still going on.
Got through the
And-
obstacles. Mm.
And we'll keep doing it. And that's it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Odi, any thoughts?
Not really, no. Are you both just chatting in the background? What the fuck is this?
No, we're not chatting. We were both
No,
looking
actually-
down at our tablets. So
Tabs,
Odi is
right.
like, are you
Yeah,
chatting?
looking at something else.
But yeah.
How long do you think this lockdown is going to last? Just like a future thing. Now that I think we're going to wrap it up, so might as well have some thoughts
I
because
genuinely do not mind as long as it.
Yeah, Brew is a.
I am completely okay sitting at home.
Brew is almost hikikomori. He's almost reached that level. So he doesn't have an issue. But I do miss going out.
yeah, I actually want
I used to go out every single day, dude, before this starts. It was like terrible for me mentally.
I will, yeah. We
Like
were
it hurts.
meeting up often as well.
Mm.
Yeah,
Before
like
I
even
don't
before
think
March, I used to go out every single, like there was a thing for me, like my daily activity was to get out of the fucking house.
Mm.
Like one thing that I desperately miss,
Mm.
and I know for a fact that you both miss as well without even asking you. No, it's not something we had often, but we've actually discussed something similar in this thing, Bride Story podcast, which you can check out somewhere.
Mm.
Mm.
Sid's job to figure out where to go. But I miss A1 samosa.
Oh yeah, dude. Fuck
Mm,
A1 samosa.
mm.
Yeah, that shit was
Like-
good.
Like screw your aloo bhujia, that was drugs. That was
Eh.
pure drugs.
How about if A1 samosa was filled with aloo bhujia, dude? Best fucking
No
like,
way.
That's
I
your
love
thing
A1
right
samosa
there.
the way it
Yeah,
is.
I know A1 samosa is
That would
best
be top
by
quality
itself.
for me.
A1 samosa is beautiful.
It is very good.
And
Yeah.
last time Audi and I went there. One second. So A1 samosa is
Yeah.
this place next to our
Explain.
college. Audi and I went to the same college, and this place next to our college, and we had a ton of samosas over there. And samosas are this nice little snack, and
Mm.
they had like cheese samosas, and they had like little buns with different things, and then they expanded their product range so much to have like so many different types of buns and so many different types of samosas. They had pastas in buns, pastas and samosas. And we were like, whoa, and they just have the most addictive.
Yeah, it
food
tastes
ever.
pretty good actually. I used to like, I think whenever I came to meet Brew, I was like, where he lived previously, I was like, hey, get me
Yeah.
some A1 before the shop closes. Remember?
I don't know
I
what
used
it
to
is
get
they
pissed at
do.
you for not getting
No,
A1.
it wasn't even before the shop closed. It was
Yeah.
like, okay, they run out of it because it's so popular,
yeah,
so
they
get
do.
it for me before they run out.
I used to get pissed at you, remember?
Because
Like,
it-
yo, why did you get
Yeah.
me A1? I came all the way.
Yeah, if it was like beyond 3 or 4 o'clock, you wouldn't just get it because it would just be out.
For anyone who wants to know how popular it is, the cinema theaters before the lockdown, they would stock up on A1 samosas for like movie time snacks.
Yeah, people whoever
And
wanted
mind
to
you,
visit
that
Mumbai,
was
ever,
absolutely bullshit
A1.
because A1 samosas sold for $10,
Yeah.
and the movies would sell you 2 for $100.
Yeah, crazy.
Oh yeah, okay. $10 over there. I thought it was like 15 for the normal one.
No, it increased later, but when we were
They
in
only
college,
gave
it-
higher
those-
prices for the modified ones, the pasta, the cheese, and the other.
Yeah, that was all 15. The
Palak
rest-
paneer,
The normal
the-
one was 10.
Hmm.
Man, after this shit ends and we can meet, let's have some fucking A1.
I hope they are actually still open by the end of this because they were still run by a Gurudwara, right? If I remember.
Mm.
So hopefully they are open.
Yeah, hopefully. We don't know.
No, one thing about A1 samosa though is that they would they would have like this batch of bad samosas which they considered bad, which
Bad.
weren't actually bad,
Mm.
like which were either like broken in
Yeah,
some
yeah, not
place,
Damaged,
or
yeah.
little too blackened in one spot or
Mm.
something. So what they would do is they would give it out to people in the morning before the crowd started coming in. So they would give it out for free to anyone who wanted food. And it's not like you had to be poor or homeless to get the food. Like if you were a college student who couldn't have breakfast, or you were a college student who was struggling with something, they would just give you the samosa
Yeah,
for
they
free.
give it.
Because they were like, we are not going to waste food, irrespective of whether, like, we can't sell it, but we're not going to waste it. So we'll make sure that somebody gets it, the community gets it.
This is a rather common concept in the Sikh faith called langar, or basically
Yeah,
a charity of
the
food.
meal, Yeah. In Gurudwaras, they usually
And
every day they give away, make food.
yeah,
and give it.
normally there is a hall dedicated to this, but seeing how the restaurant is placed outside, they just have food going in and out throughout the whole
Yeah,
day. And I think
yeah.
for them it's not like a great loss to just hand out samosas that wouldn't be put up in this thing stall.
Yep.
And it's also out of good faith from these people.
It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice.
I wouldn't mind eating a burned A1 samosa. Fuck it, like.
Thanks for reminding me about it. By the way, like, at least like pizza and stuff, me and Audi can get, but A1
I know,
we
right?
can't
This
get.
thing we
I
can't
think
get at
about
all.
I think about it quite often. So I'm like,
Yeah.
why do I have to suffer alone?
Yeah, fuck
That's
you.
what we should try fucking making. Try to recreate
No,
A1
man,
samosa.
not
Can't.
possible.
You can't.
Man.
Some things
You don't
just
have
can't,
access to
Audi.
the secret drugs that
Yeah, you
they
can't
have.
get access
What
to
is
drugs.
it that
dude.
they do? Do they like? Is it the fucking the wrapping? Is it the filling? Is it the
Sprinkle
oil?
some cocaine.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's the filling is beautiful.
That filling is addictive.
Usually, like,
The crunch is
They can
addictive.
go back. I'm eating at least like 6 of them.
Yeah.
6. I'm
Aside
taking
from the
fucking
other things.
taking a fucking pallet and taking as many as I can in
yeah. Somehow the flavor is like balanced, because like if you see like most Indian street food, like if we talk about vada pav, samosa, and if we talk about samosa here, right? Like
Yeah.
usually the places we don't like, usually their flavors are either like too strong or too bland, right? It's either like too spicy.
that. Yeah, it's
or, like,
influenced
there's
by
some-
the
mint is
culture of
too
the person
strong,
or the area.
or like the mixture is like has too many this thing, or like you absolutely
like,
don't even
disgusting
taste
nuts in
salt,
it.
or absolutely you don't even taste salt, right? Like there's no salt
Yeah.
at all. So you're like, what am I eating? But like A1 is perfect. It's not spicy. It's not this. Like I don't mind
And
nuts
they
like
have no
these two
nuts.
guys, but it tastes good overall, I would say.
It tastes beautiful.
Fuck the guy who thought nuts in samosas are actually a good
Hey,
thing.
nuts
Fuck
are
him.
pretty good in samosa.
It's disgusting.
Fuck off.
It is.
You guys
It
don't
ruins
have-
the
Do you like
taste of
raisins
it.
Don't
in your
have taste
samosas
buds.
as well?
What?
Do you like raisins in your samosas as well?
I haven't tasted
I
it.
mean,
No.
he
Yeah. Oh my
entertains
god.
the idea.
disgusting
He entertains
freak.
the
Ugh.
fucking idea.
Hey, I'm open to experimentation. I'll eat anything once.
Oh,
And
you
if I
know
like
what
it, I'll
raisins
eat it
taste
twice.
like. Just imagine A1 samosas ruined by
Yeah,
raisins.
it
I'm not
seems
even going to say
interesting.
mixed.
Seems interesting. I don't know. I'll try it. If
yes.
it's a new
No.
flavor, I'll pick it up.
No, I refuse.
I think
I will start a change.org petition
you are
to make sure
very-
that fucking
You're very specific
fucking
with the stuff
raisins
you eat,
and
okay,
nuts are
bro?
out.
You're very specific.
yeah, because nuts are like bland
No,
as
but
shit, and then you have
there are
this
like-
beautiful flavor,
Nuts
and then you
are
bite
not
into a
bland.
goddamn nut.
Hey, there are 90% of the things in this world you don't eat, okay? You eat like 10% specific things, okay? So, see.
Yeah, but
for
I have
you,
a good reason for all of them.
And for you, while eating, you mostly like you like one texture. You like uniform texture when you eat.
No, I'm okay with the different textures. I'm not okay with the blandness of certain
nuts
things.
are not bland at all.
Nuts
You're
are
supposed to.
fucking Yo,
No, what the fuck nuts are you?
oh, I am pretty sure you eat your chocolate with nuts as well, huh? Fucking.
I don't mind nut
See, that's the thing.
chocolate.
I'm surprisingly okay with chocolate
mind
and
nut
nuts
chocolate.
because in that case, right? In that case, the
See, Audi is
See,
next level.
the thing is when you have like something really savory and something with that nice spice, then nuts cause like too much of a contrast where it's like bland, it's like boring, and you have like this beautiful
fuck
spice.
nuts
But
are you
chocolate, it's
having?
more mellowed out. It's very nice to have the
Dude.
two together.
I love nuts. I said apparently I love nuts.
They do
I like
have
the
their own
textural
taste.
difference. And they do
but
have really good taste. Like I can,
by
you know
by
how
themselves.
many peanuts I can pop in for like days and days
I'm
and
okay.
get
I
sick.
love
Oh, yeah.
almonds. I love pistachios. I love cashews.
cashews
I love pine
and
nuts.
drugs. Yeah.
But I do not like. See, that's different because that when you have that, usually they're salted.
Yeah.
Okay. Usually they're like roasted a little
Yeah,
bit.
of course.
So when you have that, you taste each of those flavors. You taste the nut itself. You taste the nut's flavor, which now sounds very sexual. But
I think it's been sexual
Passionate,
for a
yes.
while since the beginning
Yeah.
of this conversation.
Yeah. But when you have something like a samosa where there is just a lot of
Player
flavor in it
flavors,
already,
yeah.
the nuts just spoil it. It's like
I disagree.
you're like
there.
wow, and then you're like and
I
you're
think
like, wow,
for me
and
the
like,
nuts elevated. I like crunchy textures in my food a lot. So for me the nuts elevate the flavor.
that
Dude,
that got
at-
me.
at
That
one
pushed
point
me over
in
the
my-
edge
at
over
one
there.
point in my
The
life-
nuts elevated.
I used to put nuts on my rice and eat it. Dude, the thing is like I have weird shit because I like really crunchy things. Maybe I have an iron deficiency, I don't know. But I like putting really crunchy things in my food. It's like a thing like because remember I used to mix just aloo bhujia and rice and have that because it used to give me
That
that
still makes
crunchy
sense
see,
to some
see
degree.
my brother's younger sister, when I say brother, I mean my cousin.
Yeah.
My cousin brother's younger sister used to do that when she was 5
Yeah.
years old, and they had to wean her off it,
Yeah, so I put
so
a
they
lot
don't,
of
so that she
crunch.
doesn't become like you.
Hey, it's not that bad. I'm still alive.
There is some rice in your aloo bhujia.
I don't know. It's always been a habit for me to put crunchy things in like
No, see,
change
that's
the
a
texture.
habit that's there across many cultures. So that is still understandable. But then the addition of nuts to something
Yeah,
like a
but nuts
samosa
just add
filling
an
or
extra
rice.
crunch for me.
Mind you, the
I'm
thing,
like,
the other thing
No,
with
dude.
samosas is that the nuts are not usually raw, so they're like either cooked in some way or
They're
boiled.
roasted.
So
They're roasted, yeah.
It's soft. They're not only roasted. A lot of people actually put boiled nuts in samosas.
Yeah. Okay, I've never had boiled nuts in some. That's strange to me. I've never ever had boiled nuts. In
This boy,
samosas.
the dude outside,
This guy.
the dude
I'm not
next
kidding. I've never had
to.
boiled. What the fuck? Who the fuck has boiled nuts in? So okay, I'll tell you. So Bengali samosas, right? It's called shingharas. They're called shingharas. They have a totally different flavor.
Fuck it.
They're not my
The
favorite,
names
but
sound
I mean-
extreme as
yeah.
shit for
They're
some reason.
sweet, aren't they?
No, they're not sweet at all. They're actually
Okay,
spicier
thank
than normal samosas.
Hmm.
But they have like small crushed peanuts throughout, and I really enjoy the textural difference.
See,
with
that's
the
a bit
potato
different
and
because if
peanut.
it's a small piece of a
Yeah.
peanut, it doesn't overwhelm your mouth with its extremely
Peanutiness,
bland contrast
yes.
to the spicy
Yeah, but
samosa.
who the
When you
fuck
have
puts a
whole nuts,
boiled
when you have
peanut?
whole nuts, when you have whole nut, okay, even if it's not boiled, when you have a whole nut, that's
yeah,
very
whole
different.
nut.
Not losing any opportunities in this, huh? But yeah.
Yeah, that's very different. A whole nut is very different.
Yeah, see,
when you're
I've
eating a samosa.
yeah, I've never put whole nuts. Even like on my rice, I put like crushed peanuts, so they're like really small.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
Peanuts, I
That's
think.
very
Yeah.
different.
I
Yeah,
don't like my
peanuts.
nuts whole. Yeah, that's weird. I like them crushed.
I like my nuts crushed.
Yes,
I
of
like
course.
them crushed and sprinkled over my food.
CBT boys, CBT.
Yes, GBT. They're gonna.
Audi will tell you what it means after
Mhm.
the podcast.
Mhm. But yes, enough. Are we done talking about nuts?
Yes, I think that's a good point to stop there.
Well, this ended up becoming part of the food episode, I guess.
I suppose, yeah.
But yeah,
Our next.
after pandemic is over, if anyone is traveling to India and coming to Mumbai, please go check out A1 Samosas. Highly recommend.
Yes, and if you are part of our Discord and you are part of our Patreon, you can come for one of our shoots.
Yeah, you can.
And maybe even get
dude,
an A1 samosa.
We're doing a shorts channel, right, where it's more like a vlog where it's just like where we're just
Yeah.
like talking. Maybe once pandemic is over, we can do a shorts about us going and trying A1. Let's see, who knows.
I wouldn't
Just
mind
an
at
idea
all.
out there
Mm-mm.
would be pretty good, right?
If they are open, holy shit, we are raiding that fucking store.
I'm pretty sure they are open. We are nowhere close.
Yeah.
Each of us are like an hour's
Mm.
distance away at
Yeah,
least.
we are
No,
very
but like
fucking
establishments now are generally closed, and people, like stores.
They can
far. I
home
think
deliver,
food
I think.
is pretty
Yeah, that is true,
essential.
yeah.
I don't think
Yeah.
that closes. I think by the time we
Yeah,
reach
I'm
there,
not
like
sure.
the
I think
lockdown
food
will be
is
over.
pretty essential.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure the cops go there and they're like, hey, open, please, need food. Been patrolling the damn streets
Yeah, I
all
know the
morning.
cops probably eat from there every day.
Guru Kripa sells samosas, right? From A1?
Guru Kripa sells A1 samosas.
Okay.
Mhm.
Well, you know, if you're opposite the biggest samosa maker in the
Mm.
city,
Yeah,
it
you'd
doesn't make
imagine.
sense for you to make your own samosa.
No.
Yeah,
Normally
it's
they
like-
wouldn't deliver shit themselves A1, so they'd probably use Guru Kripa to deliver it.
Yeah.
But yes,
But yeah, that's it for this
That's it for
episode,
this
which
episode.
is discussing pandemic life. Surprisingly, the weebs are happy with the pandemic.
Yes,
Who would have thunk?
Who would have thunk?
So a lot of
Who would have imagined that me time and all the freedom in the world leads to introverts and weebs enjoying themselves a lot more in life.
Mm.
It's unimaginable. It's almost as if the world has been designed for an extrovert's perspective.
Hmm. I
The
live in a
introverts were too busy
society.
sitting at home and not able to make any changes. You know, we were like, "Fuck it, I'm just gonna." They're like, "Hey, we are having a meeting on how we live life," and the introverts were like, "I'm out. I don't want to really involve myself. I'm just gonna sit over here, sit at home, stay out of it."
yeah, it's
But yeah, that's it for this episode. That's Audi, that's CD, and we have our last take, and we have our Instagram, and we have our highlights, and we shall we see the highlights soon. And you have a lot of stuff to watch on Instagram because 15 weeks is a lot of content, and yeah, you should like because please
like
you
for
should
Audi.
share
Like for Audi.
because
Mm.
oh yeah, like for Audi. Otherwise, Audi's editing skills will regress the lesser love you give it.
Yes.
It
And,
won't,
you
but
should
it can.
share
Yeah.
because you want to tell your friends about how
You can tell
you
your-
can live the best pandemic life. How you
Yes.
can you want to tell them about the story of this moron who fell off his cycle
Please,
and tore his
yes,
cross.
Yes.
that will definitely be a
The
separate
highlight.
highlight. I can confirm that right now.
I swear, if that goes viral, I will find you and I don't even know who I can find because everyone will be looking at it. But
Yes.
don't make that go viral. For the first time, I'm asking you to not make it viral. Anyway,
And also, if
Oh,
you're
yeah.
if you're watching this file, type Big Black Celty in the comments so we know who you are.
Mm. Yes.
But yeah, next week.
yes. Next week we are.
We are as
Should I just?
yeah we
Go for it.
mentioned it,
Yeah, I
in the
should have
last
said-
episode. Yeah, next week we
Yeah.
are talking. We've been reading Berserk. That's what we're going to discuss. Finally, I'm sorry, but yeah, it took us this long. But
Yes. The news of Miura was
quite sad.
quite shocking for
Mm.
us.
So
Yeah, we didn't expect it.
Hmm.
And Sid and I, we did start Berserk at one point.
we did
and
start
stopped.
it a long time ago, but we
Um,
stopped. Yeah.
At that time, I don't know. I just kept pushing it off. I just didn't read it. for
Yeah,
some
when
reason.
I was like,
And-
I saw the anime, the 1998 anime, I think, and I was like, and then I just stopped. I don't know why. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, and I felt like really bad
Mm.
seeing that Miura died, and I was like, hey, you know what? I should have at least given his manga
Yeah,
a
we should
chance.
give it a chance. Yeah.
We should.
Yeah, because I mean, we all know that it has like great
It's
art.
really popular. Like it's crazy out there. It's
Yeah,
just
really
something we
Mm.
never
popular.
got into. Yeah. And now we regret that reading it now. Holy fuck, it's fucking beautiful.
I do regret reading it. It's like Miura is just like, as for my final masterpiece, I shall heavily depress everybody on earth.
Hmm.
And then he
By
went.
showing how fucking
was-
amazing this shit is. It is.
Yeah,
it's
he was
it's
like,
his
he was like,
magnum
look at my
opus.
art. You think you'll ever be as good? And then he's like, oh, you can actually, you think you can be an artist as good as me?
Yeah.
Here are the most fucked up scenes you could ever look at in life. Here are the most mentally damaging
Yeah.
things you could look at, and this situation alone will fuck you up and render you
Yeah, it was crazy.
incapable of anything else.
And like we are at V101, we love George Morikawa, right? He's one of our favorite mangakas.
Hmm.
So it was very interesting learning about the relationship. And because of his involvement in Ippo, like we were more attracted to reading Berserk. We were like, holy shit.
Yeah, like Morikawa's tweets were like very
Yeah.
sad.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
very sad.
Mhm.
But yes, next week is
Next
Berserk.
Berserk.
We will honor his legacy as much as possible by giving us a good review of the good honest review of the manga. If we don't like something, we're gonna say we don't like it. But
Yes.
so far I have finished it. I love it.
Yeah, and
Sid
I'm
seems
almost
to
at the end,
like
but
it as well.
Hmm.
yeah, it's pretty
And
fun.
Audi also seems to like the little he's read. So yeah, Berserk next week.
Next
Check
week.
it out. Keep waiting for it.
Hmm.
And that's it. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Sounds like a whale dying.
Shut up. Next week is birthday.